no le abetse.
Nna ke abela. Right. Ayona ke labetjwa. Honest. Nka mo change di mind ntate.
Nka mo change di mind.
Nna ke labetjwa. Ayo
Mara ona mohla o fihla stage mo fila gore ka ra bana abela.
Yone itla. Be ke file gore ke itena ka dilo tsa lehatshe. Ke di tlogele banga tšhode. Ka nnete.
Mara tsa di life ile ya mfekata. Machiavelli, mama tianye. Mama kilane, ke mang hape ke mona mo?
O sick. A re batlo go ghost alwe.
My favorite no.
Dumelang.
Lo lonke. O ke no tla bona ta mo.
Papa.
Yeah. Yana hlele festival. My favorite person.
Okay.
Le Machiavelli hlele ka festival. Cherry o teng.
Lena wa morata.
Haholo.
Dumelang family.
So my o tlo mo share.
Yo, asti.
Ba tlo le bona ba le abela. But bohle ba the relationship di ba trapile.
Ba tlo re mix ile. Go ene ka o
Dume. Mageng.
E ka o topa.
Megelalang.
Next is papa no wa ni abela.
About relationship. Di ba trapile o tla o. Na hiyo ntwe. I get abel.
Mama Azra. Mo stapo sisingata mo. Dube.
Khotso bazalwane.
Tebo khotso.
Zikipani lapha no vi.
Not short because re ba kenyetsa paseka.
Ke Claudia. Bitswa.
Claudia.
Claudia. A tlo re tlo bua ore ka o
ke go packing ke tla.
o tse le ke ta buang ka nna. Le raisa le ke good evening family. Bontle good evening. Deeds wow Dr. November please make teaching clear. Access mana rona tix ha ke re ke a di etsa. Batho ba mo ferefere mona. E ba mo ferefere le last time ne ke re ke etsa di teachings mo. Tete moruti mo swe mme ke o mo ka o itse wena o rata lenya. Ne ke de lady ya sebetsang le nna yena. Ke de lady ya sebetsang le nna. Yo tix ha ke re ke di etsa di teachings wa tseba ho etsa nna. Iba rai guys dumela last time ba ile ba mbloka ka la bohlano no fitila ola hawa ka le ke re da gata te bruit what happened no ke ntwana o hlaisa bra mamukila ke ntwana o hlaisa bra ni hlaise bra so ke ba ngawela ntweng ba bong ka Facebook Thabang a re dumela lapeng Esme le na wa dumedisa guys dumela ha re tlo ngana go telele ke na ntleng le lona re batla go qeta rona re batla go robala e sale ka Zuzu I go one on one pastor Clem Zuzu nka number tsa ka hle. Zuzu, take my number. Zuzu, Zuzu, number ka ke 073 202 9079. I kena na ka di inbox di ansubudisa ya di DM di ansubudisa di DM hle 073 202 9079. Okay, akono nna jwale ke batla ho nyalwa. O di thotse maso, thank you mkhotsi wa ka, thank you so much. Nna jwale ke batla ho nyalwa. Dix o le mori ka ngwana rona. O sa di sugar level ka di sweets. Ke khathetse. I have an interesting topic today. Mama Azra, topic ya rona today ere na kaofela rona re abetse lenyalo na. Jwale seleke are ba bammo ba o di relationship di ba trapile ba tlo re no bona ha ba a lenyalo. Relationship di tla black sama ro bona hano you are not meant for. I know. Sifapang you will swear lenyalo a into a house straight. Can't you ngwana go ga we murela fela ke di relationship di tla black sama ro bo feel or no. O tla bona ona na re why but ba decide we lesbian moti relationship with the minister ruke butas asa peri genius tsona le agency. Kamala motasa peri genie e tsona le agency. Mo jalo ta apesa genie tsona le agency. O tlo ra ba ke bongwanana o tlo khile bongwanana straight. Ai ya du khale runa re ba bona khale re ba bona ntate Mutare no nna ke gay how kantido relationship murile o rabalo tina di phahlo tse ka re ke tsa jansina man how wa bona hape tshiki motho sa le pregnant apar ha o bana motho mos o na itse yena ke ntate Thabo mojolo o nyesa o fetwe ntate Thabo straight to the right call o so le ntate Thabo o tlelle le bitso la Sophie o tlo ra fuck off a ke sa le Sophie a ke sa le Agnes ke ntate Thabo. Ai bana mes a o nne motho sa go tlile ka o ba ntate Thabo a po sa go tlile e se le Agnes nne le rura ka mo ke di le mo di 37 past November ke na request a tlo njetsa gore why o nagana already Dixie Kena o tlo njetse ke kopa bulela fene guys wa tshisa ka. Moradi wa ka itse a tswa lenyalong ya bantate Thabo ke re ngwana ka moske nna no ke joinile marathon run ebile ke batla makgowa a ntse tla ka ho runa ka mona Dix makgowa mo sa ntse tla ka ho runa wena ntho where is Dix man Dix okay makgowa ntse tla ka ho runa ka mona mos ba ntse ba kakana le bona ba le banka mo so okay can it guys mo jolo wa bona topic ya runa today ke hore na kaofela na batho ba bitseditswe lenyalo na le tla bona Dixie
le ga ina Pastor Novi
shapo jwa my sweetheart
hey, what an interesting topic ya today.
Kuka wena o 37 ngwaneso. Onana.
Yes. Hey, wa bona re se ke mathisa 40 hle.
So
yeah, no, hey. Zekal.
Maru kila nyama. O kila nyama.
No. Akisoka.
How se bile mutha proposal.
Ah, next. Yo. Hey, Zekal she.
Nana, le a khutla ya a kobe ang hanyane fela ka lengwele. Nix o kobe ka ya ncinci ya kobe ang hanyane nix.
Yeah. Pastor Zekal next. I don't know what happened. What's happening?
Yeah. Now ako marhalona familia lona inyetswe.
Ona le ba nyetsweng mara distant.
Okay. The siblings talona.
No.
Nix. Lena. But tell me, lebaka e banana halona.
Re two.
Oh, mara le bangata mo. Billions are Saturday wedding ceremony. Thank you so much, Billions. Thank you so much for being. But njotse meskat, njotse. Now ha re tlo wena, but wena o motho a botjwa a jwang the relationship. O motho ya bohale, o motho ya ngalang, o motho ya sa qekeng kapa motho ya jwang.
Pastor November, I'm down to earth, you know, I am very patient.
Okay.
Like in November, when I love loudly, and yeah, that's the person that I am. And I don't give up easily. More relationshiping, and I think maybe maybe they're not ready.
Ke kopa ntse o tswa this question nkile ka e botsa mona hore
yes
ke fe njotsa ka dintho tse tharo tse o le wena o sa di rateng ka wena. Example, nna ha ke rate enga yaka ha ke teneile wa bona nna ke ke na le actually I dealt le yona haholo ne ke na le anger enngwe e neng e le dangerous so wa bona I dealt le yona and anger eno e ntse ke lenyalo la ka la pele ne le batho ba ne ke sebetsa le bona ke re ke mona ba bang so ke ya pele ya bobedi extra rating ka nna okay le yona yone ke dilena le yona haholo ne ke na le pelo e nyane ne ke tinea gore ne ke sena patience wa bona ene ra ke feel gore wena wa ntina o le motho wa mbora ka 1 2 3 ne ke tso wena ke a bobedi ne and then ya boraro ene ke na le bothata ba yona ke eng I'm too picky man I'm too picky wa bona na ibile wa sene ke sheba le manana man a mosadi tshwantse me le manala skono gore ne ke sheba ntho tse jwalo so ke yona ntho e nkentseng gore ke be I took so long gore ke commit because ka ne le problem ya tsaka tse 3 so tsa how ke eng
you know, Nanta November can think that now when Renale an argument, I tend to, I shout.
Okay.
I shout. I want to go Makanta and Leona, Leona, that Leona, I tend to shout because, like, for instance, maybe we are having an argument and how will it nahande? Let me give you know, ya jumpa ene eba mo ferefere wa utlwisisa because re ke be ra sa really two itlo ha o be handla ra sa really two
okay ya pele wena wa shouta ya pele wena wa shouta wena
yes
ya bobedi
but ke shouta ha o ngasetsa o sa bule nna handle I tend to shout mara if o bua le nna handle I am able to understand.
No, ha re tlwele o bua hantle ha re bua ka taba ya o shouta wa shouta ke ya pele ya bobedi ke
ya bithu gore ke hai man a ke nqenyenyana
wa tla o itse a re yena ba tla lenyalo 37
okay
so ke mo botsa ra so ka nyalo re no ke ra o so ka ba le motho a propose a re no so be ke mo botsa ka family ba re ba ithu ke be ke understand gore ga ba bangata so now ke be ke mo botsa gore yena ke motho jwang wa bona because a ke re tlopa ka gore batho ka ofela na ba abetswe lenyalo wa bona so now ke mo botsa gore na yena ke motho jwang so ona santsa ye explain la re ya pele wa shouta ha kwatile ya bobedi ha ncengi
okay
awuncengi okay awuncengi
yes ya bithu ke yona exa tsoteleng yeah
how khathali you don't care
a ke tsotelle
e explain jwang when o kwatile le qabane le motho
you know what when it comes to taba ya sa tsotelle like we ha qabana ka ntho over and over again then also understand na as a person where I am coming from I give up
okay
yes I'm like that I give up I'll give you like maybe Eric gets a friend for instance ke ka fa di chances tse tharo but if ntwana ke bona it's not working for me then because what is important I prioritize my mental health. I don't know if you guys understand.
Yeah, no, we do.
Yes.
Okay, ya borare o qetela ke
I think it gets on not they do.
Motlila ring.
a tsekinyana
We batla e lokisa.
Ga ke qekenyana so. Okay.
Okay. No, we listen, we don't judge. We listen, we don't judge. Sis D. Sis D. Sis D. Sis D, bula mic ya hao. Guys, topic ya today ere na kaofela batho ba ebetse lenyalo kapa kaofela batho ba abela lenyalo na. Thank you so much. Sis D.
Hello, Pastor.
How are you, my sis Dina?
Pretend guy.
Wa betsi lenyalo kapa wa abela lenyalo.
Straight to the point. Awale abelwa.
On 30 November, I call. Ikabegale.
Serious.
Chicken.
What?
No, how picky kuma botsa pele how old are you?
Can I let 34?
Okay.
Okay. Una le bana?
Yes, can I live on by 2?
Mutsilisi, my friend, I can see you. My girl, thank you. Mutsilisi, I see you, I can see you.
Okay.
Una le bana by 2. O kila nyalwa.
O kile wa nyala.
But you can see.
How so go ba le motho a proposal?
Lilito.
Okay. Re dwetse ka dintho tse tharo tse wena. O sa di rateng ka wena. We listen, we don't judge.
Na re tla utlwa re da o no le abetse.
Because Dixie ena ke tla mo jwetsa hore o na le abetse ka bona sa abetse. Ha le peta o hlalosa hore
Ntse na tse tharo tso sa di batleng ka wena ke then re tla le thusa hore re o le abetse. Kapa a wa le abetse.
Precious, I can see you, my friend. Ke le shebile le tsolo ke le bone guys. Yes.
Number 1, you must one. Ne? And then ke kwata ka pele. And then ya go itere exciting ke rata too much.
Ha re tlwele.
Ha re tlwele re batla e nngwe. E ntse batlile yella go bo kwa teng ka speed le bo sta bona bo.
Okay, ke sta bone ke kwata ka speed and then I ke fetsa ke choose.
Okay. Re tla go thusa.
Agree we listen, we don't judge guys. Because le nna ke di hlalositse tsa ka ya pele nna Sefapano, I don't want to lie, ne ke tineya ka speed ne ke ngala no ke ne ke tswa no bophelong ba how with immediately of effects of go.
Okay, all lona le hlalositse. Ya go monate fanda.
Yo.
Yo.
But now o fitlhe stage sa ona na re wena wa abela lenyalo.
No, isn't jwalo. Ha ke nane jwalo ke ntse ke le ka ho sebetsana le nna. And like ke motho o lo ha o ka nkutlwisa bohloko ke be ke dia o tshwarela ne. So ke ntse ke le ka ho ke fixane le ntho tse jwalo ho nna.
O na le nako e kae so o ntse sebetsana le wena Miss Kadi?
After ke realize ke ha ntate wa bana ba ka mpella hore relationship ya rona e ne leng ka too much sa hlola e le good, and then like ke ne ke sa kgathalle nix, and then even though la bua o tombora now nana. So after that abua ang hlalosetse ke be come ke mo mamele, then I realized oh no ntse tse ke ntse ke di etsa ke gong. Ke startile ke checka or ke ntse ke etsa kae wrong, and then I find out mara ke nnete ba bang a ke
ne bohloko.
yeah ke nnete ba bang, and then but azange ke mo jwetse, and then ke startile ke itukisa, maybe it's 2 months to 3 months now.
Lentsele le samo le yena.
Yes.
Hi, we listen, we don't judge. Guys, topic area today. Na batho kaofela ba abetse lenyalo na. And guys, thank you so much. We are back again. Thank you so much. Yeah. And then Kalam Shalume.
And then Saturday linyalo hape ka mo ka ke thotse ke o shebelletse ke kwa ka mamela hantle ke ithute jwale.
Yes.
Ke dilane le nna.
Yes, girl. O dilane le wena. And o dilane le na fast.
Ke dilane le nna, and then like bamfa chance ne. Bamfa chance hore. Then ke dilane le nna.
But you are a friend. You are
a friend. Yeah.
Only a free spirit, man.
Yo. But there's sometimes batho banka advantage bo friendly ba ha go jetse. Hey, o tla lemala too much.
Okay. Ke kopa ke tlo bua fela ke tlo le sherela something. Love again.
Love again.
O abetse lenyalo ka pa wala abelo. Re tele kae?
Yes, girl.
Wow, okay. Okay, unyetswe.
I'm in a second marriage now.
No, I'll love it just papa.
I said to go fela ba abetsweng lenyalo.
Love it.
Ba sa le abelwang ke ba jwa.
You know, Pastor, now I always say that this thing, it comes with you. You are born with it. You don't even have to ufumane questioning about it. Because it's like trouble. But if man about one
Lenyalo la pele o ke ma ya tswileng.
why this is
Thank you so much, Mutsidisi guilty. What's my name? Kiano le gifter. Luna le petile le gifter. Mutsidisi guilty. So ke kopa botsa ntho lava girl lenyalo la pele ke mang ya decide le ngo tswa ho lona.
Utswile Mr. Mari ke batua ke Castini ke a friend because pele ne ke ne ke le motho elong hore wa tseba basadi a re thole a re na le ditšhomi, so ke ne ke le motho lo tla ya entse monate, then I trusted too much. Ke tla be ke roma mystery feletsa bo mamang nna ke tla feletsa bo mamang, so until mo chomia ka bona hore ere ke mo pate ka stina ka kopana le divorce paper.
So okay, now wa bata ka stin and then mogotso anka monna your husband.
Yeah.
Okay, then now lenyalo la bobedi no how checka ke mang ya sebetsanang le etsa peace, ke mang ya ratang o create a problem. We listen, we don't judge. We listen, we don't judge. We listen, we don't judge. My friend, I saw my big brother here. Monoza. Kincha yaka here. Au blawaka man.
Remember he's taking Masaja Bahani.
Okay.
So mostly of the time he's humble. Just like the previous one. He's very humble. Like every time we'll always try to create peace with a man. I get it on a super. In 29 I know I can take it's a child. Get what's a man. He just said, okay, my love, very good tools. So, you see, I get a lot about Mario, how you say, okay. It's always like, it always try to, you know, we have those people, they're always down to earth. Even the last one, he was still very humble. But what my little sister taught me, Hori, you know what? Even if your friend can take your man, he will never be you. She will never be you. And even that man will never be the same to that girl. You know, I always believe, Hori, what God has joined together, no person will separate. You'll separate it for a time being. You know, some of the things, they are permanent. You can come with your handworks, but it will never last forever. So I can see the way I linked it. He took 5 years as a wisi bana, as I say, but then gradually he's coming to his senses. But then unfortunately I've moved on.
Okay. Nga throw advice fela ho
Lavagel.
Dix.
Oh, utkala ka Dix.
Ke yena motho wa pele.
Okay.
Dix.
Le kae that?
Re tele ka Dix.
Ke teng.
Now, agree Dix with o fila hore yena maru chinchile a role abe
Ke bone comment a re yena o sala be o labe.
I can't change. I can't change. But from the word go, I said that.
Motho sala be lwa ke 60. Dix o itse o le abetswe but o wa bua ke.
o itse o na le 37 mara a thole lenyalo. Ne. Now ke go ba fela ke fane ka dintho tse pedi fela tsa se
Advice.
Mono go bona mkhotso ka go bona I saw you are here ke tla o kenya mkhotso ka nyane ke tla o kenya my big friend tata ke o thabetse man ke ne ke re fela ke fe the advice when Dix. Sometimes when only motho wa mme, especially lona batho ba bomme makavele re a bona le Pastor Pitso Chabalala o sa
le lo abetse step
Pitso sa abetse step
a re fane ka advice kore e sa le ntutsi wa bona e sa le ntutsi
Pitso sa abetse step
ke kopa ka request a tlo tlalosa hantle
o tla request re tla mkinya later ke ne ke re Dix ka mo madimabe re le banna ha re tshwane ne ke number 1 banna re tshwane and ka mo madimabe sometimes re attract banna ba similar a re le batho o tshwana le runa banna runa lo attract basadi ba similar similar most of the time so ka mo madimabe the challenge ya pele eo ntho ke mang Dix of something I tsile ke a hore ntho na itseng o itse o bua
haholo
ntho o etsang
o bua haholo and then o manganganyana
o stabononyana ka no tshilo jalo Dix
ka ba ha qekinyana
o itseng Dix
ya seleke ke buile ntate gore like ke motho le gore I give a person maybe the chances stay two, then the third time ke a tswa ko yena. Then ya pele when we having an argument, if o ngasetsa le nna ke a o gasetsa back.
Okay, ne ke batla ntse ka bo madimabe ba teng banna ba kgonang go tolerate ntho eo maruna le banna ba ke ba kgona tolerate mosadi ya ba etsa lerata. That is number one.
Wow.
Jwale ka nna now no mosadi ya ka nketsa lerata be ke phela le yena a ke kgatha le gore o na le kukwe monate o motle ka fuck off le dikuku tsa hae fuck off Now, I just want to show you hore hona le banna ba jwang. I just want to show you hona le banna ba tshwanang le nna. To an extent, wa bona ke ntse ke batla ho nyala with all my heart. But if nka kopana le wena, Dix like aba o motle, like aba o monate, like aba ke la jole ka pudi ya badimo ha ke le ka odima hao. But nna alone Zenzile Andrews November a ke kgone tolerate mosadi yang etsetsang lerata mix ke a hlanya di vela di phambano o hlanya nna ene yang hlantsha ka bo madimabe you can yes mutsidisi now you can you now ka bo madimabe that is why ha re le basadi when o batla lenyalo ya pele once o qeta o bona motho hore this person is your ideal person it today yena very quick it today yena very quick it today yena very quick as much le yena ana le responsibility ya o ithuta wena but wena as a woman it today yena because the reason why ke re ithuta yena very quick ke buela tabeng ya gore so that you must know that gore motho ona se motho ya batlang go etswa lerata gore o ske wa etsa ntho e tla motibe ka wena o ska tla wa tla bophilong ba motho ona ka dintho tse tlo etsang gore a qeteletsa sa tsamaile because hona le batho ba sa batleng lerata ka pelo tsa bona ka fela bontate ba bona. So when o ka kopana le ntate yo mo etsetsang lerata you can think or that man ha o rata mara ba utlwela because of lerata. Simple and matlik.
So ntate ko pa o botsa gore then what if go etsagala gore yena kena a o gasetsang?
Okay, there is no way reka when somebody ayetsa ntho wrong luena o bu respond ka a wrong to that person.
Yeah,
I don't want to respond who react unto dilana le wrong ka wrong. And that is why Bible e re lona li kokobetse because li fuwe that ability ke ntate modimo boikokobetso ke ntho le nang le yona ka hare and modimo na tseba hore boikokobetso bo ka kgona ho etsa eng ho motho wa hao. I'm going to make an example nna ke tlo etsa example fela ke na le motho nna but then nna ke batla step ntse ke batla motho wa bobedi ne ya nna ke batla step motho wa ka o temo. Two wrongs can't fix
to make it right. That's true. That's true.
Baba, ke na le motho mona o demon o shebeletse life ya rona mo. That person o change every day. O change every day. Ne ke na le ntwana I was dealing with taba ya anger. And then I was dealing with taba ya ungana ya utswa motho. Ore ya ke ne hloka pelo ne ke ngana
number very impatient
wa bona and then now ha ke kopana le yena ne ke na le ntwana ya snapper ya snapper tla be ke tine hantena but the way a dilanang le nna ka teng o dilane le nna o fihlela nna no se ke sebetsana le nna no ke feel guilty like ka snapper immediately ka speed ha ke leveleng yaka ya o snapper but what she's doing o tlisa nna fatshe.
Oh, she does not snap back.
A snappy back.
Instead, calm. Now, Luana, you are forced to
be calm.
Okay.
And that thing go just a but in a short period of time, this person Lena, as we speak, regular together. Because I said to her, baby, don't do something because for the first time, Nike Fatin said, for the first time. Why? Because I saw something good about this person. Good bahai, butusa lin now rikisebetsane lin. And she doesn't change me. She doesn't fight me. But instead to bu alina come approach anke weta na uyata ore ke end up ke feel guilty every time ke feel guilty and every time I want to be a better person.
Okay.
I want to be a better person. And believe me, if no, up to so far I'm a better person. I don't want to lie. Because this person will get out down every time. So that is why we no kana or maybe something it's not right ka wena can't you know ke a system you sebedisang when u fihla bophilong ba motho and always say you don't even check the kind of a person you phelang le ena or ke motho jwa so o tlo baleleka batho la ka thola e mong bekeng etlang kapa kgoding etlang o tlo baleleka until you identify ntho e lelekang batho ka wena. Remember I said we always attract similar people. Now if like Lavagel or attract about ba saminding.
Yeah,
people who are very calm. But there's a possibility we are not attract about
Basa battling
le rata. So once o tlaka le rata motho ya sa batleng le rata o tlo moleleka motho o tlo moleleka straight jwala kana nalo hona le batho ba ke ba tloeletseng because ke feel hore a ke tlo dilana le rata la motho ene be ke motlweng. So you need to change ha ke kwala diksu tshwantse a dule fatshe ya o qetela. You need to sit down and go back and check how no na le Thabo na reng ka wena ha le lwana
yo
then o bo feta o Thabo o botla ho David. David o na rata o reng ha le lwana o bo feta o David o botla ho Tshabalala o bo shaba hore Tshabalala na reng ha le lwana. If but bana ba le bararo ba sa tsebane mar bana le something a common yo by identifying ka wena it means it's there.
Yo wow that's powerful.
If Thabo Willare wena diksu stubborn and then kata tsele o data le David ba wena o stubborn we o bo data le Pitso Tshabalala Pitso ba ro you stubborn.
That means stubborn is a problem.
So those are the things that to you as a person who's looking for marriage. You need to know Ricky enemy how weakness how eto samba to bakang when about rata ba in banto ba ikemisetso mo builder le wena ke to etile ona le potso.
I can a question that thank you for it clarify and now I understand.
Yeah, because all of us are attracted about Baruna. We're not tolerant bet like our attracted about Basaratin Lerata. You're going to lose them. Then Yabu Bediki and Yaungala speed with Ongalane. Akhatale. Yami Abu Bedi or Hatale. Togo Jete, there's something eki to Tilenyona. As much about Barata or Banna Barata, Basari Barata attention, but let me tell you something. Leban how huna mutu yes nang that you are sabating attention. 2 ha hona motho ya sa batleng validation
Ntate Moruti.
ke tsa sense ha hona motho ya sa rateng attention re rata bana re ratile attention re le bana o kila ho ditsa ngwana monyane o bona re ngwana o ntse yetsa o la fela o batla attention
ke mo shebe
o batla mo shebe o mo fa attention because it means ke go bo motshedisi re meaning the person need to deal
with changing their own character and do self-introspection. Yes.
Now, this is very powerful. Now, all of us, we need attention, we need validation, we need assurance. There's a lady, because let's rather live. You know that thing going on. For me, it was a message of this person doesn't care. And she doesn't care. And now I want somebody to build and learn. Because if Kinyala no Kinyala Khatlabra. So I want somebody yampang assurance, attention, yampang assurance
and
validation. And yampang that assurance or keep sure this person. This marriage yaruna it won't fail because nowadays age yaruna ha sa re dumela re ne re kena manyalo antsa faila o bonotso age yaruna doesn't allow us ha re sa le ba cha runa. So that is why when una le partner you need to check with this person ke motho once o sa khathalle o ngala o sa qeke ho se qeke ha o fane ka validation motho ha o fane ka assurance. If you are that person that's a khatale, it means there is no way moto waka trust, especially when moto abata build and way. It's impossible. So those are the things that want to shop mele. Then here the last one of the things you tutile nyona. Care the last year because I don't want to spend time when. Yeah, the last eki tutile nyona. I've learned something. This one kibo about to go fail. I've learned something why Satanas about to commitment.
Okay, why?
When there's no commitment, lack of commitment. Also, commitment as a partner. Hore family relationship easy.
Okay.
That is why Satanas about
commitment.
Manyalo runa relationship taruna commitment because commitment there somewhere somehow auto fika stage in saure hai one thing na marke mosadi waka commitment there yetsa hore o ba le that tolerance nyana mamelo nyana wa o tina ba tlo etsa o teng wa o tina ba tlo robala le yena wa o tina ba tlo sa no tlotswa ona le yena wa o tina ba tlo ha chaisa o tla wa o tina le wena o tswa mosebetsi you come home. So Satana ha ba ke re fihle commitment there because what's about how ntina re sna commitment ke tlo tswa easy and that is how Satan are tshwereng boholo ba runa. Satan a batle commitment so that ba tla rene re tswe easy o ska wa khathalla o no utswe and how sheba all of us re ntse re hola every day. So that is why we need to change how we do things, how we approach things, how we view things. We need to change, guys, because I understand why Satan has a commitment because Satan because there is no commitment there, you've got nothing to lose. Also no mutu. Because there is nothing to lose. So my sweetheart. Thank
you for sharing such a powerful. Okay.
And then get out of the moment about us. Sisdi ana wite Lena Sisdi
ene wite hale abe ostabo
Sisdi where are you? Oh ka ke mo utlwa ke bula mic ya re bula mic ya hao.
Okay.
Hello.
utlwa.
Sis D,
Eh, Pastor.
kana o itse wena ke eng?
Pastor. Nna ke Stabone. Ke kwata ka pele ke choose.
Kana o itse o 34 ne?
Eh.
Okay, o itse o kwata ka pele. Okay. Ke ne ke le jwalo le nna.
And hopefully ene ebile papa ba nna bitse o mo ha chance ya go ga berekane le na change.
Sis D, ke a matla motho o kwatang ka speed. Aba react ka tsela right. Aba yetsa dintho tse right. Aba
You? Hi. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi, Con. Hi, Con. Hey, kunzima.
mpotse batho ba kwatang ka speed. Always ba dula ba regret. Mo botse ha regret na.
Sure. Too much.
Okay.
Because o dula o bua dintho tse wrong, o bua o
Yes.
acta ka tsela wrong, o behave ka tsela, o araba ka tsela wrong, o etsa.
Maybe lady karabo tsone ke na le tsone. Tsone, ke tla waraba. Waraba ke tla waraba shim. Yo. Hi. Yo. And I ke fetsa ke ra ke no qeka. Kanete. Ha ke fetsa mo ha ke no qeka. Yo.
Okay.
Ai.
O tla do.
So the time when I go to ubua o le ko kerekeng ne, and then ka start to realize gore motimo wa tseba ke party engwe mo. But hey, ke re ke nnete baba. And like motho ha o jwetsa o sheba o kwata lo fita wa to mo utlwa hore ha ba to correct you are right. And then after that to regret or whatever mare if only situation is ke di kere le so ka sendela so nkabe ke maybe o bile right.
Now let me tell you something about dintho tsena tse re leng tsona. You know what is painful when us is the le batho ba mametseng? All of us re fihla staging sa o bona bo wrong ba rona, sa o machora,
So
sa o change.
why not?
But you know the sad part about that king, all of us we change. Is ya fihla stage sa o
That'll
change.
change, yes.
Se fihla stage sa o ipona di mistake. Se fihla stage sa hore o kiteng ke hlalositse. But the sad part about that, most stages sa no se fihla mohlang o so lutse batho ba bohlokwa.
Hey, but likely na ke ntse ke nna le yena ne.
Yeah, no, I was saying for most of about that is why today. Yes, that is why today most about bakaramanyalo le the relationship but you tell about sa barateng because you have changed but u changeile name u change to somebody you're samurating because he is the only person you at wena you now we are saying we implement and change. We implement because he is the only person. Yes, no. So, you need to remember character sense of personality ke motho o mong. Let me demonstrate this.
Okay, it's another individual.
Yeah, it's another individual person.
Yeah.
It's you.
Okay.
It's you. and the character kapa the personality. Now the personality ena e dutse ka ho wena, but the problem about this personality or your behavior, the desire tsa teng le di desire tsa hao, di desire tsa personality ya hao le di desire tsa hao ke dintho tse pedi. Wena your desire ke lenyalo, your desire ke have a family desire, but yena desire ya yena kore be alone.
Yeah, that's true.
Yo.
Desire. So that is why re tshwantse re hlokomele ore dintho tsena tse re controlang di desire tsa rona, because today hona le batho bao desire ya hae ke lenyalo, desire ya hae ke family desire, but personality yona e re no ska foka lenyalo, ska foka family, no, you are right alone ebile ska qeta. Yeah. Now
that's true. O feel o ka ba sia netso o hande o tsamaye o lo phela good. O tlo ba monate, o tlo ba sharp.
Yo.
Yona ke nnete.
na mantswe ka o swaka a o qetela for 34 years kapa for 14 years 14 I don't say 20 years, ringe 14 years, you've been feeding your desire, but this time just be selfish. It's high time more something when I happy and follow your desire this time. I get it good.
Okay.
I tlohele this individual essay. Because for all these years, it's sale a seva yena.
I sale museva.
Ka bo stubborn le eng.
Usa foki, usa qeki, I sale museva.
Now, ho tloha no ho ya pele serve you.
Okay.
Sit down and know hore nna ke lesedi ke batla monna ke enwa. 2 ke batla family ke ena. 3 ke batla o phela le mo, ke batla ba le lelapa laka and happy and ke seo ke se batlang and ke ena. Now sit down and check everything anything ili eneni ya hao anything yes or dintho tseno ska di thola for 34 years. Dula fatshe o identify dintho tsena o qetile o di tloela o soka di tloele ke a o kopa.
Okay, yeah, I will do so.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Now,
ya o qetela before you leave. What's my ntwe re shapang hape o qetela ke ngau swaka. Re change ka pace ya runa, not ka pace ya a need. Ka ntwe hlokahala. Hore ke kopa ke beke re change ka
Pace ya
runa. O tlo change, you take your time. Why unka nako ya hao? It is because you don't want to hurt yourself. Processing yana ya change. You don't want to. That is why about bankan 5 years mutasukula change until 1. Mutange 10 years aba asukula because we change ka pace ya runa. Kanti sometimes you need to change because of change it's needed now.
Wow.
And the Muslim realize that change, yeah, it's needed. Here is the marriage, here is the man, here is the a commitment, here is the thing. But do require change. You are going to put yourself under pressure. You are going to change how we don't change and no, because you don't want to lose this opportunity. You are not going to change ka pace now, but you don't change it because change is hlokahala no.
Yo.
I will deal with myself.
Thank you so much. But don't take time. Don't take time. Because the more you take time, the damage will continue to happen. It's like it's
Have they like you na le ntwena ya ho tshaba ne like ho tshaba if nka chincha the way ke leng ka teng ke chinchela mothuna gore ke be motho a hantle a so ebe yena o to reacta jwang ka o to responda jwang according like the way ke tla be ke chinchile ka teng kana go nngwe ya na le go fihla ntho jwalo ya gore ke feel ka re ke a tshaba no I'm not going to change it because of this and that and that.
Okay. Are shebe number 1 are shebe or change ntonyana yo chintanyo ho yona beside itaba ya your partner. That thing yona how is go kina wena as a person.
Yo come on that moruti. Yo.
Yeah, ke hloka as individual ke hloka because ke khola e tla tlisa kama bona ye ke gore ha ke tsebe.
So now if it's something that is needed, you feel Marlinda. I also need to be calm. I also need to be humble. You don't put, when you want to apply that change, you don't put your partner in your mind. You just make we attract to him because now this thing is good for you. I get to know.
Hey, I could really and teaching.
Thank you so much, Miss Kat. Thank you so much. Love again. Love again.
Hey, love again. Love a girl. Love a girl ene. We say I keep wanna let's start to meet only average.
Yes.
Maro o cho. Kana we say chobolo. Now chobol. Okay. Again, ato pa a word of advice, ne? And then viewers at home, today topic ya rona it's very easy and straight to the point. Hore na ke batho kaofela na ba abetsweng lenyalo. Right? Now o tla re jwetsa he wena hore nna ke le abetswe mabaka a etsa hore ke re nna ke le abetswe ke alia kapa nna ha ka le abela. So os Dixie ene we le abetswe and then sis D abarena ha le abela but kinana after advice and that moruti tla change ke sho mali nto sa chinchilo wa bona go le abetswe straight and then re kena ho wena he love a girl o le abetswe na plus o la bukana girl mara ke chobo
Love again. Love again. Love again. Love again. One love.
One thing I have learned is that what you say can be right, but the tone can make it wrong.
Okay. Love again.
Yes.
You're very powerful. Very powerful. Love again. Go good with the secret. But balinkelang balinkelang di partner. Abalinkeli fela without capitalizing. Udima dinto tse itseng. Ha hona mosadi ya ka nka monna hao ntle le ra capitalize udima ntweng e itseng.
Weak point, which is my weak point.
Yeah.
Because if you don't know hore weak point ya hao ke eng, o tlo thola hore wena mosebetsi wa hao o tlo etsa eng, o tlo createla batho monyetleng wa hao. Wena o tlo kopana le monna and then o mo atumetse pela batho ba bang. Ha o qetile o createle basadi ba bang opportunity nyeo ntate modimo o fileng yona. There is nothing wrong when your friend There's nothing wrong when your friend aunkela monna. It's normal. There's nothing wrong when your husband out cheat. There's nothing wrong when atsamaya out well. But what is dangerous? Kurwena unke monna wa hao o mo betray o bo batla motho ka wena be wena re nke mang ya mmatla.
Okay, one can ask for wena o etsa jwang tshwenya ya hore ke mabatla monna ka because no ha ona mosadi ya kare tlo yo monna ka ke o tlo monke.
Anything yo tsemang hore monna hao ha o e ba ha e batle. Enona le bogone ba go ka mo offera yona ka mo fa mara bo decide hore na a ke tlo move. O tsona la fana ka monna hao.
Oh, okay.
If monna hao batla respect, wena bo sa move, o fana ka monna wa hao. Because o tla e batla respect, and if when you don't offer him a respect, o tla e batla somewhere because ke ntho a e batlang. It's like mdavazo. When your partner a rata mdavazo, bo motima mdavazo, o fana ka yena ho batho ba bang ba o batla mdavazo. It is the same. So one of the things e re shapang re le batho, we always rinka banna ba runa le basadi ba runa be re ba beya mona. Be re fana ka bona because your behave e ka etsa hore monna hao if monna hao a batla peace wena o sa kgone mo fa peace monna o tla e batla because ke eng ke ntho e batlang
Okay,
ke ntho e batlang o batla peace and o tla e batla hle no
ha sa itolo
so that is why sometimes basadi batho ha ba rinkela batho. It is not just ba rinketse batho nje but ba capitalize ba offera batho ba runa dintho tse runa re sa batle go offera batho ba runa. If your man a batla peace o ana mo fa peace, if your man a batla a peaceful environment o hana o tla lo e batla no tla e thola because everything whatever you re hanang ka yona, it is not like when o hana ka yona ha iyo somewhere is there somewhere but your partner o decide e batla kae ho wena. But if wena se willing we mo fa yona o tla be batla somewhere.
Okay.
I get it get a sense.
It makes sense in that moment.
So that is why now ask it.
You know, it does make sense. And how on ke dumelana le wena ha o re rona self basadi ke bona re ba beyang on the tray because even if it's not peace it wasn't about peace in the house. I want things to be the right way and I like to own, but when I have people, my problem was that I didn't know how to hide how I run my life, how I run my household. So I believe I put them in their tray because they knew this person so that thing also, it gave them the opportunity to know that this woman doesn't lack anything. This woman does do this and this and this. So that is why now I've learned we don't allow friends at all with my husband. We are friends together. Wherever we go together. So that is how I decided to cut people in my life.
Okay.
Because once my problem was that I did not know how to keep quiet about that. I thought what is right for me. If I give you the advice, you'll take it as an advice. You'll never want to take what is mine.
But it doesn't matter you can try to hide or when a lifestyle you cannot hide.
Lifestyle
it's not an easy thing, especially Luna Basadi. How easy like a pattern lifestyle. But how many kids are about PC in I was just making just an example. Sometimes when we fail at the we always forget about Baruna Bana le batho ba ka ba offerang tsona. Ne ke etsa example le fela batho now ke batla o tla ntho ena ya hore guys ithuteng banna ba lona hore monna hao ke di feeding ntho tsa sa di batleng and try very hard to move away from the ntho tsa monna wa sa di batleng. And not only banna, le rona re le banna, we need to make sure that we must know as the partners, we need to know about so that we must try to avoid. Because number one, it is not always more reto arohana the relationship in kapamanyalo. But you know what is painful? Give frustration or to because it's one of the things that we create the environment because besides different besides bomam, but we also consider recreate this environment one shout there will be a time when to feel and like about you are capable as a woman, you've got the ability of doing things. But the day you choose a munna, or munna, you need to tone down and give your men a space or a shine high.
Yo.
Can I make an example?
Yes, please.
Hona le bana ba yang skolo. Ne? Ba bo hlale ka classing. Mar bana ba no bo hlale ba bona bo etsa re ba overtake ma teacher. O etsa wa dula o fa teacher a chance. Ya re teacher a sign a position ya hae ya bo teacher.
Yo. And this one it quotes. I come on that moment.
So most yalona basadi ba capable when love again. Most yalona hale ba tlo tona dano le fihle pela batho. And especially when you so choose monna re nna ke batla monna aba fihla phelong bao, you need to know who now se kina le monna. Now o tshwana le ngwana ya smart ya wise ya bohlale. Mari, ya ring half fihla ka classing, o tone down because you know, or this is not my platform. There's a platform, there's a teacher here, or there's a lecture. You keep a position here. As a student, you keep your position. But you always know that there's a teacher. There's a lecture. You keep your position. So when we say it doesn't matter, that is why when we say sometimes you go to your husband. Suggested into baby, how na hanu reason to it now? Please, Mutwaka, how na hanu reason to it? Baby, how na you are doing move for position near high. Isn't baby kina reason to it? So give your men the position near high. That is why leha onali di karabo sometimes for monna how hasika dina go tsotlhe tso tshwantse o ntshe di karabo tsa hao.
Sure. Yo.
Qetile. Because so ka ra lenyalo, make your marriage a place whereby you enjoy your day. Le mona how I enjoy your tlaka. I enjoy make that environment. You know what happened? Islander. Normally I kile di biking ki hole. Kita my Friday be ki Sunday afternoon. Ne ha rally e fela di rally tsa rona di fela afternoon. But you know what happened? The lady ntse ki bua ka yena. O yentse re ke robetse Islander ki bukile for 2 days. Ki robetse only one night. Only one night. Ki robetse ka Friday, ka Saturday o seng. Ha ke qeta o hlapa ka jotsa friend ya ka re ke khutla Bloemfontein. Arnovi re dumelane ka re khutla Saturday Sunday ka no na khutla Bloemfontein. You know why? Because ne ke hopotse ne ke compare
the
environment yes, environment ya di bike e monate. But monate o kwa haka compared ona
I cannot stay.
I cannot stay di-bikeng ke rata di-bike ke rata le monate but if ha ne ntse ke le one ne ke dula 2 days ne ke sa robale tloa ka Friday bosiu kaofela re robale Saturday a re robale but since ke na le motho ke dula ke dutse Friday Saturday ke khutla ka hoseng.
Wow.
That khutla la ka vroeg ka driver 3 hours from East London ka be ke kene Bloemfontein. So create that environment. Thank you so much.
Kuna le comment
Ai, ke a leboha. Wa ke a tshepa hore nou tjena na magana Modimo o tlo mpha double 20 years e fetang ya pele. The first one was 20 years and then nou tjena na I think I'm gonna go for 40 years now.
Oh, wow. Wow. Wow, Lava girl.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, guys, my father of my boys.
The father of my boy used to tell me.
What's about the other thing you already to I already.
Wahawa miskat.
Network. The father of my boy used to tell me, I never understood meaning ya thing. So, Anasa I understand. Now we understand how they have to make the environment right. That means environmental class is D in the right.
Yeah, sis D, keep it there. So sorry, keep it there. It's a lemon more linting. If keep like keep it like that, guys. Halitse bor ho monate jwang ha o ya ka tlu o tseba hore lokopana le mosadi ho le monate a o fe modavazo a o fe dijo
La bosa stata ka modavazo ka o itse le dule le kope
le kope
le
modavazo yes le ke le modavazo
I can't go on a monate is nam davazo
modavazo ke number 1.
Love
again. Love again.
Yo.
I have been there. I know, I understand. And right now, I always say, this is my first honeymoon. Baby, can you go out with Lena?
Oh, what you say again? Yui.
What is MRP? My husband always say, "Ekare
Agachais.
agachais."
Can you please request?
Can I request that?
Request I can.
The love girl, uri ekare ka mo founela no.
And it's okay.
You know, the first one, it ended well. I did not want it to end. So I know the importance of the marriage.
Oh,
so right now, every time you do like a try by all means, it doesn't have to go. I always make introspection. That is the only thing that I've taught myself. Let me not be the person that was like before.
Oh
And
man.
it's good to
Oh man.
love I
And what's up with the last thing you got on fire? I keep going every time. Rena Katun, it's like Sunday. I can say Sunday, Rieta Sunday, I'm not sure. But Rieta Saturday. It's either Saturday or Sunday. Rirata udulata fule. Be re checka relationship ya rona hore ke di-feeding tse tse tshwanetse re di lokise wa bona. So ha ona ntho important e jwala ka gore sometimes le ntse le sa lwana, you just create a good environment. It's either wa paya wa etsa setup e sharp kapa le a restaurant plekeng e sharp o qetile mo botse baby o nana ke di-feeding tse tsona nang re ka di chincha kapa tsona ana gore ke chinche ho tsona kapa I'm still the same person eo ke neng ke le ena kapa o feel gore ke chinchile na, so that le di aine wa tsaba le etsa jolo le etsa le avoid the problem le dilana le tsona e so be the problem.
Yes,
le dilana le tsona
e so be the problem.
e so be the problem.
Good.
What understand? Once le etsa jolo le qoqa o mo botsa be bonana ke chinche kae ka bona na ke finto o feel gore a tla etsa hantle o etsa eng le dilana le problem e so be problem, because most of us re dilana re emela the problem di be the problem then e be le ona re etsang re dilana le tsona.
Good.
Thank you so much, my sweetheart. Mo founela man, ngeta proud to and ka pelong when ntse le sebeletsa gore I dedicate this one for Dr.
Oh, I'll dedicate le mechongo o ne le go I dedicate la go. Ya ga go santse in the perfect. Sure. Yo.
Thank you so much, my sweetheart. Thank you. Ko ntse ne ka ba right go tlwele.
Thank you.
Ko ntse ka ba go tlwele. Okay. Okay.
Yes, I am sebetsi. Fonele ntati.
Ba tsone ntho mo ne ke re ke ruta ka ona la botlhama mara I did not have time. Ne ke re ke ruta ka bomme hore bomme man ka ramanyalo le di relationship. A ke a ruta ka la botlhama because ntho live phone ya ntho TikTok a rona ba butsi late. Ne ke re ke tlo bua ka hore ka ramanyalo le ka ra malapa. Sile ke ba thoba ka mo master ataba ya o sejusana. Guys, ale ke la master ataba ya o gadisana. Ke tswa fa I bua ka English mona.
Oh yeah.
A ke la master ataba ya o gadisana. Banyoleta ka tsomale.
Oh maga. Ke sa le ba pele dikipa tsa mo megato ba pele moseme.
Nna ka la bohlano ke la ba ka ba sia. Ka ba sia.
A le busy ka appetite.
Motho fihla fela a re jwale motho modimo ha o petse.
Banna.
Jwale ha o petse na.
Banna.
Itse hantse ke tsila anka.
Yo, I'm the best in doing that. But oh.
Yo, I'm best in doing that. Mutsidisi ke ona bana go gaehle. Ke ena hle mai funku. Ka go tlo letsa bomme ha hona ntho e bohlokwa jwale. Nna ke ne ke re ke etsa life ka la bohlano ke le ka itlwela ke tatile. Ka itlwela ke tatile. Ba mpona ke ntshwa ntho mabanta.
Go bua net.
Sherumpone.
Banna.
Mutsidisi ke ena hle mogotsi wa ka ke mo ratang. Okay, Mutsidisi.
And then omong a re ene wa photuwa mara wa etsa wa bona sma a re nna one pot when I do that. Oh yes, I go request this ma.
I go request this ma. Ke tle re shebore ho etsa la eng re tle re khone o lokisa. Re khone o lokisa re tlenga di strategy ba tswa modimo. Re ntse re sa le ba le tabe kholo tsatsine na gore
o abetse
lenyalo ka bona abela na ha o sheba ho ya ka sia how are you abet for marriage or you are not?
O tlo le banta ntate ngoti ya no wa dira o tlo le banta le life ya
Series ka ya deep
le banta la twa twi
na ke la bela
the floor
request
kena go rela wa wena ga ba le abela o na le batho ba ne ba tlile ne o bone ba ne ba tlile mo go rona ha ke tswa ke di social worker ke ya numba re o bolele moruti rona re ke kabelo rona yentle ba le cabbage ba ga ntse re tla ga le shebi ke kabelo ya rona
o ka tlo Sherry
yui kona go dira galang magentle ke nne ka Friday
le ka her motartlo itse ke re ke a tsina a re tlisa letso a re bamba itse ke bamba ka utlwa di grave jwale di grave di a nhlola nna soso ya nhlola itse go utlwa soso e matha ka re bana bes
mo go ntate ba lwanela go phiko
a re bana bes
ai
kabile pile tsepotsono o le o nka di mile metswalle
no
guys ke na hle le re jwetse gore o le ya betso ka pole a belo but ke ne ke batla mothena re yana wa phokwa ke motho wa hae
o gone
ke gone mo thusa ne ka nnete ke a kopa hle wena ngwana ba the floor ka pa ke the floor
go re nyena hale abelo sma a re kena re wa mo pota sma ento requesta smart requesta then re gone ho utlwa gore na o se just o yetsa jwang
the floor
o se betsa jwang yes
the floor
hi
how are you
ke shapo lona
wela kae ma abelong kapa next ma abelo
ntho e rejectile yo shem ntho e rejectile ba reng ke lenyalo yo pele sala bua ka ntho e ba reng lenyalo
le o rejectile jwang
ntho ya ngahana e uhleng o fasitse o na le straight sa o bona o qosele ka nqane monna ba re nnan o sta bona wena o mmapoho
hai khona put them on the floor
gift again
ba re o mmapoho a re no kgona ke re bona re tsamile dilemo tsena jenyene magathi a ke no kgona o suwa
wena bo aga bo re
ai ke rai fuck off tamaye nna ya tsene yana ai o tlo mona mmea motho a mo fumana nang mena 32 ya khonana maka
o tlo teka ngwana mme a na le mena 32
the floor
the
floor le nna go tlo nkimela ke so ka go tseba ke so bone ke so ratane le wena mara go tlo nkimela
kana o ga mo ga ba re mmisa
o ntena fela hore o tla o imela jo ahle na ha ba qekisi khala na shushe monna mo
a komplele a ke go o bole mo relationshiping a ba tla fihla a o jwetsa gore man baby o sta bona ha o mamele o manganga ha ke bua wa nka ga bo bua haholo now ka nako eo a o jwetsang dintho tse a sa di rateng ka wena o mo araba o re
ke gashi a tlolla hlota ba strong jo ahle jo
a ba re ikata relationship o bo re
beba no ne ke fumane moruti a serase moruti na le serase jalo ngwanana wa di botlolo moruti wa bona ga di kopane
o bo tla go ka se tloele di botlolo
ne hona le monate ke ga go se ka nna ne sefapane o tla promise hao ya shwa tsa ntho ya gona tlamile le neng a re o ya ka ke re ke mo ke nwella a re every day ke wa bona mfumane ke mathaka a butwa ka manyana
advice.
The floor,
advice.
The floor. Okay. The floor, sir. Now tell me, my sweetheart. The right Haribuan Niti, Linyalo wa le batla.
Nesukula le nnete. Ne ke le batla mara no ke bona ga skimetso. Yo.
The floor me serious.
Bona wa tswa Dr. November ke tla bolela nnete ke re linkimetse ntwe. Bona no jena ke no corona no. O bontsha go linkimetse.
Untsonwa.
Yeah. Kimetso bana ke le fumane lenyalo lena.
The floor, njete he. Ule modikai.
42.
Okay. The floor.
Ke nna bana ke tla wa tse ke ipalla gae. Mamela Dr. November tse ke ipalla gae. Bana ba pala mentho. Re ne mafetwa. Ke ka re ke amoetse.
Asinete. Asinete.
Ahle hining ke re ke azula wena.
Asinete.
Khale ke le zula lenyalo lena la.
Asinete.
Mamela pili.
Mamela. Asinete the floor. The floor. The floor here.
November.
Utina ke gona. Utina ke gona.
Hina hantsa fitla ntse the floor a ka tu bua.
Que me coche. Ay, pues. Ay, cola. Le vlog, re ka kgona ho bua le wena no.
Bua la bokomane.
Okay.
The floor mamela he morato wa ka ne. Marriage lenyalo le tshwana hantle le o batla mosebetsi.
Yes.
Now when o batla mosebetsi kelelong ya hao ha o re ke batla boso ke batla boso etlo mmamelang ke tlo ilayelang ke tlo etsang. When o batla mosebetsi o re o batla mosebetsi and then ha o qetile o isa di CV ne. Then ha o fihla mosebetsing o ba se batlahalang se batluwang ke company. O ba se batluwang ke company. The floor ntho e shapang batho ba bangata. Bophelo ba rona bo so. Lenyalo le tshwere ke monna tjena. Re tshwere manyalo tjena ngwaneso. It's like when o batla mosebetsi wa hao ha o le motho o matsohong a motho a itseng.
Yes.
De ha re batla mesebetsi eo re batlang e matsohong a batho. And if we are not willing to meet the requirements tsa batho ba tshwere mesebetsi eo re batlang ha re tlo thola mesebetsi. That is why ntho ya pele when o batla mosebetsi, when o bitswa for interview kelelo ya wa itjotsa re ke batla ho make sure ke a excel to impress batho ba tshwere mosebetsi wa ka. So ntho tlo le shapang wena the floor le basadi ba bang le bala hore when o batla lenyalo tswana le motho batla mosebetsi. Example ya o qetela wa bona nna ke ne ke tshwere lenyalo tjena and ke kopana le basadi ba bangata nna mara ba bang ba ntshukodise o meet the requirements tsaka ba tsukile until ke kopana le motho it took me 4 months or motho a meet the requirements tsaka ke etsa decision or let us build this thing. So if basadi le ke la understand or lenyalo monna wa hao ha a re wena baby kapa boyfriend da ha ire baby I don't like 1 2 3 4 5 only ka o yetsang only ka o adjust the requirements thing.
Yes.
Example number 2 re na le ntho bitswang job description ne when o fihla mosebetsing o jwetsa ka job description gore o sebetse eng o yetse eng and job description if o ti cleaner ka mona o bula cleaner ka ntle you did not meet the requirements tsaka. If you wanna more ka office nyaka o bula fiela ka ntle you did not meet
the requirements.
So that is why we try to understand if le batla lenyalo bana beso understand gore o tshwana la o batla mosebetsi and if o so thotse monna yo thola gore this man ke ntho e nngwe le nngwe ke hlokang meet the requirements tsa o tla bona o tla nyalo.
Wow.
To arabe nneso a tshwara hloho wa bona o tshwara hloho jalo ba nqeto bana ke tlo kgona wa raba
Arab the floor.
o yene ka gona tledi for the sentence aka wo.
Okay.
Ha relationship e qala o na ntshepisa mahodimo le lefatshe mara ha nako e ntse iya ke a bona ka gona tlile for the sentence. That's why motho tsongwa plotana ke mo jwetsa ke re sala ka ga ntlo nna ke a tsamaya ke tla bona ke gutla.
Sure.
So no ke tlo I build a jwang le motho a jwang.
Ba bang bona ba bang ba ne ba tshwere lenyalo ba o
One le bullfighter wa. One ena nkentse engage ena ene le bullfighter shem.
O tshwane
Bana ne ke
engagement.
tla kopana ke o tloe every day. Jo.
Aga na o tlela eng?
Donna ke tshepe nna. I can't ke ba gata panic.
Wa bana ana o sepela
Ene
panakisi.
nna ga tsoma. Ene nna ga tsoma modimo mpha ba sa neng jwala ka o fela batho ba modimo.
okay ke na le potso o qetela he ke na le potso o qetela o na le nako e kae o nwa jwala
Tuna we kinana 20 22 20 24 years.
okay now njetseng for now since o khotsofatsa jwala o satisfy jwala ka bophelo ba hao wena because batla lenyalo o tlo satisfy ning wena because o ntso khotsofatsa jwala that takatso ya jwala e bitswang
craving.
a se craving ntho ntho ya o lakatsa jwala a hle motshidisi ska tsa jwalo hle a ska tsa jwalo a o tlo etsa next network ya next month ke re ntho ya o lakatsa jwala gale ona you've been o satisfy jwala but wena you know o batla lenyalo
Wa tsoma ka ga wa kitse ne se ke tloletse ke re ke a phomola ke ra o go ke phomolo bana jwale relationship e ntshwere monate yana ha wa hentse nna go ntse ke bona abutu a bona gore motho ene ke mo fumaneng a nwa jwala e ka ga e sa le yena o sa matha strateng jwale a se ke re nna ke stopile ke dula sele ka tlung ke a bona gore jwale a se ke dutse sele ka tlung yena o matha strateng ka ga mpe ke khutlele le panaking laka
but ntso batla lenyalo
a tsheno tshele ke give up ile shem hape ke palame ba isikile na jela ka monna poso no ke kgathetse shem
jwale o give up o sena next tso di chinchileng ka wena next
ke tla re maga e tla ilo change
How to change? Or how to change the floor?
I can change. I can change. Then reject them as in tots.
Ke English in only kilo we change ka we.
Usually lose a mamonat.
Ha re tloele.
Manganga.
Okay.
Manganga. Ke tloletse manganga.
o ne ke batla eo
okay no ke kopa re tlo gutlela wena se ka tsamaya
Okay. Re
Ma-
ditime maiki.
ke wala maike o sora thank you motshedisi
Le kae ntate moruti?
re teng le kae lerato la pelo yaka
Le kae?
re teng le kae
Re teng. O kae me se le kae?
re teng le kae tshedi
Re teng.
o dumedisa ka
I
ha
didn't
no
like
le
again
appetite ne
Mo tla
o tla se le ke a reng
o no bua.
ke re o re dumedisa ka respect ka re ha o nyolle appetite
Bona. O se bo re nna. Ha ke hlile ke bona hore o ntsa sokodisa. Ke tla ka bezinenyana, ke tla ka sesepa, ke tla ka shavera. O thola sentse ke mo founela ke re ntate we. Tla ya ke kopa tlo nshave. Ke butse maoto tje.
yo
Wa tseba hore ha se ke re jwalo wa iwa.
motshedisi ke kopa tlo etsa system pasta
Ha nka re lokisa fela dintho tsa wa tseba fela dintho tse beolang wa tseba hore wa chamkhukhusa la masenke
sure
o bonka loto le ba o lisa ka nngwe le le bolisa ka nngwe
ke lisa ka nqeng
a ba qeta
na itshebetsa
bata ba qeta o etsa ntho tsa diskere kapa o fellwa tseleng
ha o kgonahale ha re qeta moo re ya shawareng re qala mo shawareng a ke re jwalo go lo hlaka ha qeta ke nna ke mo etsang re be re ya shawareng ha re le shawareng loto lena le ke le fitlisa hodima pompomo
ke tlo direla women's conference ke tlo biletsa yo
o bone monate o tswang ka moo ka hara shawara e ke go ka re jo mmawe
ene voice ya motshedisi ka mokgwa a utlwalang a le innocent ka
ene o tsebe ha re tswa ka hara shawara ha re sa nahanne lo itshasa o itshasa jwang o tswa ka hara shawara ha le tswa moo la phola ke re le dile ekon la phola 2 minutes le phodile ha o emella fela ke o sa le teng hape
motshedisi kopa go
and
tsa
remember hore nna my husband is my first boyfriend 1997
yo ntho tse le di etsang le kopane ka 1997
ke le motse kae
re kopane ka 1997
le na le how many
Nyalane
years
ka 2002 1997 ke 28 years 2002 this year tabe re tshwara 25
a o se motshedisi lerato la pelo ka ke kopa o njwetse ntho tse tso buang ka tsona o ntso di etsa ndo ha re bua tjena
ke ntse ke di etsa wa tseba ebile last ke ntseng re ile haene o dutse le papa ka ba shebile game ke ba tseba batho ba bontate ba rata game mo le ke re a ke re bana ba ne ba tsamaile ba ile ha bona so rona re tlile mo go lo ba bona e be re lo pota ha bona pele mo le ke re ntate o wa ntia ke tsebe rona o tlotlaneng ke re before ke tsamaye go bona mo dining room ke re ha o tle re tlo go bala re ke atla re tlo go bala ka re yo bona 15 minutes sharp 20 minutes mo le itse ha re 30 minutes e be ke re tla phone isa thola molaetsa o la ba so ke bona o so timiwe ka tlhu isa thola molaetsa ke bona sa kenang
o mo romeletseng picture
viewers
ke mo romeletse picture
amar motshedisi I
I
respect
kena hantle that le ka ka more
a o se motshedisi I respect ke kopa fela botsa dilemo tsa o le mo di kae
I'm 45
a ke o hlompha
a le nna ka mohlompho
ke nyetswe
a nna ke o hlompha
ene yena o na le 56 years
a tlena
takaka
ka nnete
Motshedisi now ke go bonjetse le ya body tshebeletsong ha kae le account kapa di ja fatshe fela
bona nako ngwe le ngwe wa bona ha ile di holiday tse bana ba gona hanke ba du like my first born o na le 25 o tlo tshwara 25 this year ka June our first born our second born o tshwere 13 years ka di 28 tsa our second born o tshwere 13 years ka di 28 tsa March ona no na le bana ba ithu. So normally when we go there ha re botse pasale especially the holidays bana ba ya bo nkgona bona unfortunately side ya papa hai house na ne wa ke mmatsalaka so ba ga gadi ba teng ba sale le bana ona re sala re le babedi ona jona ke bua le wena nna ke itlamme ka thaolo a ke nke ke tsamaki a re le babedi ke nyenyetsa mo re ke apare ka tlong re le babedi
ai Motshedisi ai ke go the last question monna o dula thabile environment ya lona ka tlong e jwang
molodi shapa molodi bona ene nna o itse hore monate wa communication ke eng I know ever since nna le ena re kopana for so many years I know hore Fridays a ke tshware pizza Saturdays a ke tshware pizza ke tshwara pizza Sunday to Thursday. So Fridays we either we go out or we get take away, and then the Saturdays either we go out or we a braai, and then the rest of these days can make it for pizza.
Motshedisi ntate modimo le hlolo lo fatse haholo yo I respect that
kana kongwe eno tsebe ke matepa ke matikana kongwe ke gone gore ke a kula gone o pheya intse le matsatsi ya ka pizza ke re yo ke a kula today ya ke monate why ke na mo pizza a re ke ditlise mo kamoreng o tlo jella le gona mo kitchening gore then go re ditlise mo kamoreng
yo
mo la ha wa kula ke re ne ke go nsidile le theka mohlomong ke tla ba hantle.
Okay.
Jale ha se di le theka mole o ta bona ngwana kokota sa re ke tlola ta plate ra bona o hla fela ka hlofela fa ngwana plate anti a hlatswe di kotloleng then o phelo go tswella pele go ba monate mo lapeng
le theka le
la lokiswa jwang la sedilo
la sedilo
a Motshedisi a ke o hlompha
and how ona ntwele ya hore wa tseba hore motho wa mme o ba hone too much ka nako e leng hore o ya matsatsing ka yona very often na ke sa ha ke re ke le mo matsatsing e be ke re ke ikilela most of the time ha ke le mo matsatsing ha ke le hone ha ke utlwa hore I can't hold myself ke mo bolelle ke re ha ke gone tlo ke o batla watla
a kene jwala ka mmoshi hana kena le wa kene le fubedu
hantle je
ai o se Motshedisi ko hlompha
ai comrade Motshedisi for the president
o se Motshedisi ka o hlompha no ke o hlompha a o swaka ke o hlompha your age your the dilemo again tsa how le monna wa hao tse le di kopaneng ne tshwantse be le dropile
yes
and you know o qeta bua nthongwe ya hore yena ha ona mohlangare no ha ikutli ha
ha ona mohlang a denyang the husband tabai
hona mohlang.
And the nice part about those episodes of Nini Kenai Batla. I think that
and wait till what I've realized. What I've realized, and the more kikenang mo konzong ya bosiu, the more I become young. How come bona I go like of kele keep so mare ki young man. You say we young. I'm like maybe mama 30 something. 10 years younger.
Wa re gadisa ngwaneso rona re hlotse a o
ne ke re ka kena ka o sheba no ke your account is private ngwana go
sure Thandeka
mare sheba profile hele
my favorite
ke tlo entsha mo private ngong share.
okay
a o se motsedisi you are such a blessing hle
sure
hai
And also ke basadi ba le belong hore ha shebile kwa wa khona bona go mosadi o ya kwa o ya kwa
oh bahiri ba teng ba re oh ona le di tenants
ai o se
ke
motsedisi
na le di tenant
o se motsedisi go hlompha feta ntho engwe le ngwe ka e buang ka yona ska ba tsamaya Thandeka
a ke re ke batla mo private
oh
le khona o sheba hantle.
okay
Thandeka
Le ka nte mo November.
re tele kae
Lo ke a motle.
thank you ka le
kana Thandeka wena o ka ra lenyalo Thandiwe kana wena o ka ra lenyalo ne
Ke nyetse ntate mo go itse.
Wow.
wa mopola
Ba di tla ntnya hore ya hore a ke re potse ya ka shakone le hore lenyalo la abetse ka pa che. Na before I got married lenyalo well the thing diminute. Ene le ntwe ene se pelong ya ka kelelong ya ka monahanong wa ka. Why? Because na ke holetse ha bo mme wa ka. And each and every time how I never bua like all of them gore ba tla bua ka mgo bona ba le mbetla ka ba batle mahala fela ha banyalo ke la bona. So I think going in that environment automatically Lina I was like that, and then I was a tomboy because ne ke rata bolo ke rata ho matha mabelo. Now ke hotse le yona o fitlheletse go kopana le my husband it was love at first sight ene qala ho etsahala kan because all along nna ntse ke nana lo ga ke tomboy nyana ha ke rate marato nyana ke bule batho ba mang frena ne ke tene hangata. And then meeting my husband it was love at first sight. Ke qala ho fila ka motho jwalo ke qala ho mmona mara be ke file ka re ke kile ka mmona in another past life. But ke qala ho mmona. Now ra nyalana ha re kena ka because we didn't even waste time because Lena does like pela mpona fela ka mbele you're going to be my wife.
yo
Now ha se ke re kene ka hara lenyalo ke realize that hona le dintho tse ke betlang ka tsona. And hape lenyalo ne ke sa le xabisa that November ne ke sa le beya pelong ke re netse ntho ene because of how I grew up. Now in your heart gabana fela ne ke blela fela right now o tsebe ha ke 40 right day.
yeah
And remember
butle ha le ka bana no re
ane ke nna fela ke 40 right day nna skana na go lenyalo eng ha because ne le sepelong yaka.
yo
Now hana kwentse tsamaya I've realized hore actually it's not like ha ke le rate is because ke batho ba ke holetseng ka hara bona bana ba sa le 40 so le nna ke nana hore ha ke le 40 but in actual fact ke le 40 because ke ka hara lona ke dumetse
hi
yo
familia Thandeka wena familia
ke na ba re di family
ke itsa
na wait
now
my god this is very powerful.
yes pastor. Now in 8 years in marriage hona jwale the very same people be ke hotseng ke ba bone my role models because they have their own cars, others are teachers by profession, others they work in the mines. But I can see in them that even though I can now that I'm grown up Linda myself, I can see through them these people have it all but they lack that thing and they cannot because now they are 40 50 going to 50 and now they're out of my cat. So if I have listen to them.
Hai.
Ha ba tseba re lenyalo ke be ke le o ka hona jwale tje.
Hai.
Because
Hai.
ntho ya go lenyalo ha ba le abelwa le bona ba ntse ba iqoqotswe ke ba tlileng ka pele ho bona
Hai.
ka ba yeng ka ba etsa ya bona.
Hai.
So me, I rejected it. It's a bona hore I've got something.
Hai.
Love is something everything it created ke modimo. I created it.
Thandiwe, come on, man.
Thandiwe. Hai.
I have my own life in Nakelimo. Now I'm in my 20s, I'm in my prime, ne? Now it go fit and I go prime.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
ya motle, ya ba sexy, ya ba and all that. I say fitile. Bashimane ha bana kgathalla hore ke na le koloi, ke na le ntlo, ke a sebetsa. Ha e fitile nako e fitile and that void that 50 years thing. Ya o hloka monna. Yona ke tlo e feel. I can see them through their eyes ke kena le monna ka di funeral hore ba khalla this thing that they never had.
I come on.
I can see through that. And
Hai.
ba bana le bana ba tsuleng bo tseleng o kila bona and na ke tletse ke ba bolela ke re ha ke na le ba shona ba gago ha ke khalemela le tshagele na la modimo ka ofela but minute they are dead get a hlaga ka le mati ba ipeya hantle ke re le la pale le hloka ntate nang le letsoho le strong e seng le shapang mohlomong ha shabe bana nna ka ha shabe bana but o hlaga fela ha nngwe fela ntho ngwe le ngwe kena madulong. Now I'm telling them that children need society needs lenyalo le hloka monna. Any household needs a man. Now and entire strong black strong women, it's only on black society. You will never get a strong black Asian woman. You'll never get a strong white women. Entire strong black women. We are strong black women. Yes, we need to be strong, but we preach it one no. Mentality
Thandiwe, come on. Hi.
Because each and everything bang wrong katlu. Look at the minute monna half it. That time we ke gona o ya restaurant ke edele dijo ke order dijo ke etseng ke gona we drive. I can drive myself around. But monna ka haliteng ke na driver. Ha ka restaurant ke na I choose the meal as if nna ke ngwana ke gona ke etsetsa. But when he's not around I can do that by myself. But I've realized already let's all monna lo la hloka. I'm telling you the honest truth.
I Thandiwe le motsidisi. Thandiwe le motsidisi.
Ali nna ka.
Thandiwe le motsidisi.
Bana biso.
I was Thandiwe. Ke a le tloella nna.
Yes, pastor.
Ori this thing if uno dumetse ha ba ijala kelellong ya hao lo wena ka bona le attitude e tshwanang le bona towards banna.
Yes man.
Because in essence I'm 35 years, 35 17 February this year. Because last year, and then because now that's when you feel like icon.
Well, you know, guys. Kore, what's about the way Satana Bapalanka nowadays? Satana sa battling the nyalo. Wait or about to criticize, ba empower, ba embrace the divorce. So, but Baba so excited, but I think around how to mama o divorce it. People Baba so excited. But if Mudimu are chronologically about Tswana and Lelona, I na limpile hope, guys. I limpile hope. Mudimu o chronologically uswaka. Ha. Aus mutsidisi. Thandiwe ska tsamaya. Aus mutsidisi. Mudimu Israel.
Anza gona le bayi.
Aus mutsidisi. Hi. nna ke a bona wa e blockile lo a ka o tshwanetse a blocketse a blocke ntho page ya hae
Hey, di DM tsene ke di thola ka moo. Batho ba bontate
Hai,
ba
hai,
hai.
a o se motshedisi o se motshedisi but you know guys wena ke a le hlompha man ai ke a le hlompha ke man Tandiwe lo se motshedisi ke le hlompha ka pelo ya ka kaofela wa tseba wena o Tandiwe ene ka re ntate modimo ka o thusa o be le di life mara jwale botlhata gore batho ba di life tse ho embrace
lenyalo
batho ba lwana ba di attack ba etsa jwang mara motho a tshwanang le wena a ka thusa basadi ba bangata le o se motshedisi ba ka ba batla lenyalo and wena o Tandiwe ke rata when o lata from the background
yo it's
ha qetile o bua ka reality e etsahalang ka batho bana ba ne ba criticize lenyalo ha ba sheba today ba le batla mar no ba tsile from the market hai waka e ka reng ka lo mo beya kwa ha o se motshedisi kgwedi ke re ke groza o se motshedisi a mo rupe a mo jwetse gore ke wa jua wa se a ke banna re bapala banna re rata banna re ithatela hla gore ha ke itingwe ntwe kapa motho ro kgathetse e ka re nka peke kilo dia Neville Hill gore ka re nka dia Neville Hill ya nka peke statue sa Mandela
se bontatela botle ba e rata a se
Wa
montatela
tseba ntate moruti rona ka nako e ne re lawa ke I still remember ha ke ya bohadi ne ke ile ke isitswe bohadi ke rakgadi wa mme wa ka ke isitswe ke bo makoti ba ithuba hae bo mamalome wa ka meaning and then e be ke tsamaya le mangwana wa ka le one of my cousin ne le ene fela a sa nyalwang a ke re tle ba o tsamaisa le motho a tlobeng a o thusa le batho so before ke tsamaya hi I'm originally from Kronstadt. I got married more Virginia. Now I'm in Rustenburg. Ke mo ke dulang teng ke haka. So before ke tsamaya ba ne ba bua hore mosadi ha angale. Number 1, how o ngala o tlo ngalla kae? Rona sa rona re sephethile re kile tšhelete ya ho ya maadimo. Network ke santsane ke utlwa
wa utlwa ha
wa utlwa
ke sa utlwa le ntate
yes o ntse utlwa la ho o ntse utlwa la
and then number 2 ha o ngala o tlo ngalla kae and I've learned from that hore even if la re ka ba le di obstacles tse tla be hona lenyalo le senang di ups and downs le senang di obstacles I've never in my marriage ke ipona ke dudiswa ke batswadi or ke dudiswa ke batho ba kileng ba di panelists tsa mahadi ya ka bare ba tlo solvela problem if nna le ntate re ka se ra solve problem motho a itse go tlo senya problem e they will forever take side ba hae ba tlo nka side la hae laka ba ha bana ba tlo nka side la hae so if nna le ena re pallwa ke bothate bo rena le bona wa e tshwantse re meme batho ba bang ka ga ntwe re ka kgona go e solve and I've learned hore le ha re ka ba ga kwata go le jwang kapa jwang ha ona hore nka robala re sa buisana and ebile ha re kwatile monate wa yona ke tsatsi le leng hore bona tsatsi le teng ha ile ke fela hore maoto ka magutshwa yana ke be ke a fitisa mo siling tsatsi le go kwatela neng ka ona ke tsatsi le leng hore ke ntse o feta matsatsi ena ka ofela
motshedisi ha basadi ba bang
ha re qeta ho rapela fela re rapela re le babedi fela mola ke obviously tle be o sunanwa a o fe ha ka o fa ha ke tla bo dula o coverana cuddling yo fela e sentse you leader to that hore ka je pele nna la so go ba thwe e ke entseng la o ntse tsebe go no le photso batho ba bo mme re phela ka dipotso tse dingata mo especially o tla mo batla hore o lead motho wa ntate and you cannot lead motho wa ntate. Motho wa ntate will forever be a leader. O rata o sa rate when you need to just to be submissive no matter the situation and circumstances.
So le fana haka o bo musune
feel hore
excuse ke ne ke re le fana haka o bo musune le kwatelane
ke mo fa hake ke be ke musune e be re coverana ntse re coverana mole ha ya kwa ke ntse ke sutella pela hae ha ntse ya kwa ntse ke sutella pela hae ke a ke re fetsa o tshwarelana re fetsa o rapela so why o batla hore go be le space in between immediately when you let the space in between are you saying hore go be le serame se kenang pakeng tsa rona re le babedi
Motsidisi
ba ba go bua nnete ka nnete mohatsaka alright ebile ha ntse go bua nnete se go pesa ka se stinga se ke se beile duma hae ke tshwere letsola ka le lelle ke tlisitse mo motšhining
Motsidisi Motsidisi
se le ba la netla
Motsidisi Motsidisi ai
because o feleletsa o kwatile ka usane o ya molo o tsamaile o ile somewhere ebe a smile le whoever aba anna attracted to somebody or nna ke ba attracted to somebody empa ke palletso go solve se ke nang le sona se go a sere the devil you know is better than the devil you do not know. So if ke batla lo ithuta motho mo ke startile le ntato ke dula le ena from 1997 ba o sana ebe ke re kopana le ntato November ko sta ke ithuta ntato November se ke tletse bosudi ba ntato na happy ebile ke a mo khurumetsa gago ke a mo khurumetsa happy ha ke phinya ke o tlhela ke mo khurumetsa ke re tla re kwaela ka dikobo ke tseba hantle se ke motlwaetse that's how
Motsidisi
Motsidisi
I understand why they go phela na go telele le monao. These people ke bana. Ba playful ka tlung ya bona. Wa tswana le motho itsene ke re ke mo kenya mona a re ntha dubs a re ke utlwa o se Motsidisi ne ke jealous but ausi Thandi entse ke fetole the mind about marriage.
Wow.
Hle nta ke go ba o kene hla ke go ba o kene fela o go re jotse re wena why were you negative and what was the reason entse guys what's ba
yo
amar ke le bonta te modimo what's ba ntse hlelang ke jwetsa batho nna ke divorce abedi guys 2 times. But let's in le ntse ke dumela lenyalong because ke a tseba re le teng. Let's in le
and there's one thing about Nane every day I always ask Ntate Modimo are you saying hore kana I still remember ngwana ka before batsama o itse ho nna are nna kana my boyfriend my husband which is my husband ha re start re kopana ha ke tsebe go maybe ke yena ka bo yena o romantic so bontate ba leka that thing most of the time e etsa mo batho ba bomme re rata re ntse re o treatwa somehow o itse gore ntate le ha stata wa kopana le nna o mfrile ka hara spare itse a ke sheba plate ya spare plus kana kwa teng ele ka bo 97 ene le half chicken ile di ribs ile di chips ile di veg ka bona gore mare ntate o tlo ntlhokomela o hanga ba ka tloela ntate o ke bona gore a so ka bua nix a so ka re excel ke tlabe ke batlang there are times where by kana go ke santsaneng ke sebetsa I'm no longer working ne because ke tlwetse mosebetsi 2 years back. There are times kana go sampane ke sebetsa ha ke tshisa kana go ine ga ke kene in our bedroom tlabe ke krea jewelry ke krea di flower ke krea di chocolate those moments you asking yourself for it ke tlo mo krea ka mo no tshwana le
Ke kopa o Adam o sentshedise ke sa o kene hano. Ona mo.
Yes, Tandiwe.
Yes, I remember kana when ne ke rata hore and now I was fairly new in marriage. Kana kwa ne ke rata o sebisa letswalla. I didn't know sa fokele nyalo. But when I'm seated alone, ne ke ipotsa hore na jalo ka ne mtshedisa ntsa bua hore na motho ang qadileng ka ho driver ke sa tsebe ho driver ang rutileng ang kenyo sekolo ang rutileng Thailand ang ruta Greece ang ruta China pele di lockdown ha ke mofoki kantle ho yona e ruta e ka hodimo motho a lwanang le nna to fight the generational curse e teng ha bo mmoganya bana ba batla sa nyalweng ha ke mofoki ke tshepileng because motona is there fighting something yana ha bona ba nyalwa dinyalo ke ntho ya ha bona nna ha bona is a struggle ha ke mofoki and to so break the generational curse ka bo mme wa ka le bo ga ga bo mme wa ka gale kwana be ke ha ke mofoki le ntsele ke bright kana duma ka nna who am I to reject because sometimes o tla bophelo ba hao ka ntle ho matlo di dikoloi di dintho tsa o di bisa ka dropong mara ho break a generational curse ena e kana e halone o bo wena ha mofoki motho. So I was like, there must be something wrong about me. Then I can
Selina.
Just so bad thing.
Selina
Yes. Ke kala ke introspect hore ho bolela mphoso ye ho nna ha ke sa idukisi ho fitile.
Whatever this thing that Murutine, you always teach us. Dintho tse o sentshedisa di bua o hlotse hore bomme ha ba ka dietsa ba ka ba le manyalo a monate ba ka nyalo le tse o standwa di bua now today it confirm that is why kinana most ya batho because ke bona di ladies tse bentse re kana tsone most ya bona ha ba comment kinana ba dutse and now we are now taking whatever that you've been saying all these years to us into consideration because ibile o hlotse hore se ke wa nahana hore ha family ya hao e sa nyalwa le wena o ka se nyalwa ene bona Tandiwe ke wa ibu
and the way seeking mesele ke what I've realized ne ha ke started okay fine that was that lo sebetsa before nna then e be ke mo follower ke mo sala Rustenburg ke tlo sebetsa le yena mo Rustenburg same company in the mining industry. And then during the course period of time mining, I managed to study further. And I can study further. Obviously, something that I uplifted before Nankan uplifted. I said how you can uplift before uplifting that you wouldn't do justice for my children. Ke tsebe gore ke nne ke tsebe gore ke ntate ka hara lela
motshedisi le Tandiwe ke a le kopa se ke la ifantshela hi guys this is too much
yo
hi motshedisi
hi ona le basadi ba ntse ba le yana
wa rapela thapelo yeo
ka rapela thapelo yeo and modimo ke modimo wa dikarabo modimo ebile ha batle le hore a etse it was a turning point to my life to an extent ya hore le nna ke sheba bophelo ba ka ke basadi ba bangata mare ke a bona hore ba khalla se tshidi a le sona
ba se khalla
for the near fact ya hore I prayed for that. There's no way that you can see yourself o le hodimo o sa rapedisa ho fitlheleng mo lenteng modimo a re ikokobetse ke tsebe ho phamisa ha o so phahame ke mangatla hlela a o thola
motshedisi le Tandiwe
there's no one
ke kopa go gutlela ho
And he got promotion.
a thola
The
promotion
second promotion.
Huh?
And I said, I told a promotion. I told her the second one. I said, Mudim, what do I want? Even if I'm not getting any promotion. But for the mere fact that ke kgonne go bala le nna ka se ka re ntate o ansebeletse ke a sebetsa ke tlisa se ke se tlisang ka tlong. But for the fact ya hore yena o mphahametse, I will forever be grateful for ntate.
moya wa ntate Modimo gale ke hosta show yena mari ya fa I know Thandiwe ke batla go tlela ho wena ore onore you cannot mothea breakileng generational curse o phahamele motharo ya breakileng ya robileng generational curse ya o ntshitseng from that generational curse ya o sa nyalo satana na batla o breakele motheo
Tata Moruti, Satana o na batla hore ke mo phahamele ko hore my guy is a guy from Eastern Cape and ha se batho ba ratang bo dintho ke la bona so gore Satana tla ba bontsha ha motho a sa rateng bo di-label a jang you can do better ne gore ka kelelo le gore le you can do better, Yes, I can do better from what? Because this person saw a wife in me. And can't materially, ya ho putisa ka toropong ya ho nguta o gana ho rekela koloi. O ntse ntho ya ho break generational curse esale e latetse bo mmewaka bo mamogolo wa bo mmewaka esale ba sebetsa sefane Santa moholo wa khokho wa rona sa lo sentse sefane se le seng o fitlheletse gona jalo tsa le ba shimane gore ke qala ho ikutlwa monate wa se sefane se seng sexa because all of the people big ba meeta sefane se one sefane se one ke moshimane sefane se one ke ngwana na sefane se one re tswalla ke ba radi ba mo sefane se le seng now ke qala ho utlwa gore ho sebetsa sefane sa motho o kgethileng ho monate ha kae Uri, and set you apart. I'm like, even if Hokatui, Gibaria Makaya is fine, but on Tusa, who is until Yahoo Robber, generational case,
like our Gibari. Nganto, Selina.
Hello, Selina. Selina.
No.
Hi, Tata November le ausi di kae?
Yes,
Selina.
Oh, Tata November, ausi ntshidisi bua. Le kae?
We are here.
Jamunati la vie.
Ausi ntshidisi. Ausi ntshidisi bua ka nna and Kinali 33 years in my marriage.
I
am so happy, Pastor November.
Yo. You only how many years in marriage?
33 years. Next month, I got the 16th April. I got 34.
Woo! Hey, it was lovely. Yo, wow. And how old are you, if you don't mind,
I
Tori?
never call my husband.
If you don't mind me asking, how
49.
old are you? What? 49? Wow.
49.
Yes.
Yes.
Yo. And then Luena, what do you have to say? O sisitse bua ka
What
tsona.
a rentle.
O 49.
49.
O na le
Ke mo founela le mosebetsing.
Yo.
Ke mo founela le mosebetsing ke mo bitsa die ke re yo die ke o iletle a soka wena so batla ke go bala ke ha ke o ile
butle pele
Ha
o
ke
o
rata
a re
November
o
ntho
foune-
Emma pele a re
o founela molekane wa
Eh.
hae a ba ba baby hle ke wile die ke wile o mmitsa die a batla a le mosebetsing a tla tlo etsa mosebetsi wo wa
A tlo
Mudavasi.
Mudavasi.
Ke kopa mmotse ba na le how many years ba nyalane ba
Lena-
etsa ntho e jwang
le la go gae Selina
ke na le 33 re tlo etsa 34 ka di 16 tsa April.
ai bazalwane batho ba ntse ba lla ka medavazo ka ramanyalo a bona ba safarisana ai ba sebediswa ke sasa ai guys
Pastor November wa tseba what I said, what ntho e ke bolellang bana ba ka koreng ne ntate modimo o itse ntate ke hloho ntho e ba modimo o e buile o ka se change hore wa fokola hore o jwang but you can't change what God has said. Ntate modimo o itse ntate ke hloho mme ke molala so ha o batla o ba hloho ntate be molala ka mantswe a mang, you are against to the word of God.
yo
ka mantswe a mang batho ba tlo survive manyalong basadi ba tlo survive manyalong ke ba tsebang di-position tsa bona because wena o mametse basadi bana ba bararo ba bua
yeah they understand the position tsa bona
And ntate Pastor November ako kene molomong ha o bala Bibele ho Corinthians e re mmele wa hao ha o sa le pusong ya hao o pusong ya molekano wa hao wa ntate o pusong ya ka mantswe a mang ha ke mo batla it doesn't matter o kgathetse ha kakang but rona motho wa rona ka tlung ka mona kore koloi robala garageng
utlwa ha Selike
e dume fela le ka
Selike wa utlwa Selike wa utlwa
koloi e robala garageng mo
ke kopa ke hlalose because o na le batho ba sa
ha you
understand
understand
awe a re la ba kgathetse monna a ka ba ikenya fela la ba ka ba robala ba sa itse mix koloi e
oh
robala
bala ka
garage.
oh yo
le kgathetse
Bebere it's a my yeah a re kgone go bala re hana re o hlaile mafu we make sure hore whether re a botshabelo re a Bloemfontein re a buka re lo buka a re lo letela gona ga re lo letela and then 3 November ha ke mo sheba wa tseba ha ke mo sheba ke gana ya mosebetsing a feta zinking a ngaka zipe ya fatshe ausi
No.
step ke mmeke
ai
ene ho na le ntho ba sa itsebeng ntate November o na le ntho ba sa itsebeng bana ba rona lenyalong hore sex ya ratellwa
wa e rapella
sex ya ratellwa ntho a kere ha re tloja re re Father we thank you for the food we are about to eat even le sex fela because Satan o attack sex ka ramanyalo ntho ngwe le ngwe le sex ra e gore nna ke re go bana ba ka ke ba bolella ke re a ke batle a utlwe barbecue se le chicken spice barbecue ke barbecue chicken ke chicken spice
guys mamela ntho
gore taste ska la share ke rape
Floria e stata
o itse ha o bua jalo mme Selina ha o bua jalo a ke tsebe ke verse e feng ke lengolo le fe mo Bibeleng le re tate modimo o entse gore mahlo a je ka go bona dinko di je ka go nkgella ditsebe di je ka go utlwa molomo o je ka go taster le ka mole bothong ba rona bo ja ka eng so e teng mo Bibeleng hore yona o rata kapa o sa rate o tshwanetse hore le yona e je e kgotsofale ebile there are point whereby nna ka nako tse ding ke be ke morabe ka morao ke mo sedile ke o batla o bohla ntate kapa o so kgotsofetse kapa o so kgotsofale ha so ka kgotsofala ke phenda mzala
guys ai guys
I ke sa utlwa bohla
ke kopa ke bale comment ya ga Flori
hanyane fela sedi
ke kopa ke bala comment ya ga Flori Mali Sedine and ke kopa a request a re nna I leave my phone at home ka bomu when he is off kama bang hantata sa tewel Flori a re ene o itebatsa phone hae gore ke tle ke fumane one nyane gore a
be Flori Arusia phone wait ha monna sa tewel
Okay.
re telle kae
Teng o kae me?
Le teng. Ke re nna ka matsatsi a mang ke sia founu ke tlo go ofo ke sia founu ke tlo re morning ne ke rashitse nyana ga thola next bana ne everything ne ke sia founu ka bomo ke tsoa ra wa ke tlo ke tlo ke ile feta mosebetsing ka nako nna ke gotlele ko ntlong fast because ke dula ga o fele ko ntlong like ye le 2 minutes drive and then ke ye ko ntlong ke tshwape one yana ke iphumule ke gotlele mosebetsing ke lo sebetsa ke shapo ke lovely ke happy the whole day
how to wetse night shift o etsa
ha ke tobetse night shift ke re mara ha ke tobetse night shift ka mmotsa one day kare mara ke bereka night shift o ka llata mara a re nka o lata ke re ko llate one day ke bone a re ko lata ke re ke fine e re ke raneng yana motšhino ko be ready and everything o tlo lata nna ke gotla ke tshwara di-chocolate ka re ke tswa garageng a llata vele bana ba robetse a llata vele ka gotla ka di-chocolate ka re ke tswa garageng kante ke tswa ko ntlong ke tswa kry-a one nyana se ke na le batla nyana
November.
wa ka o etsang
A ke sa theoela a theoetse.
o re go nna re di o ska ya ka ntle ka sheko ke go bane monna a re ke repotile mosebetsing o go wa kula tlo isa doctor ke re fo eng a ga e soka manneši wa tsebang ka se kgone o theoela o le teng gae Dr. Novire Tlajana. I remember one day re hloleile re tswa Bethlehem we just packed ya thoko tsela ke monna ka mos so I re dabazana mono ha o bua ka modabazo ke ga e Pastor Novire re dabazana mo ka koloi re starta koloi re cruiser and we are happy yo nna ke re wa ka o lalofa re he ka kopana le nna ke kopana ka di 18 ka day ya Mandela ne July 2021 motho o lalofa mosebetsing first day fela first day o tla o those first day plus o na le matswayeng ke buiro nyana fela ya modimo e la re a nthola first time fela yo motho o la ba lo fa mosebetsing I no tsara ke tsara lo tshaka first time o la fa nna ke a doctor yo ha ke no gona o theogela boswaka ya ibo batho o lo fa jwa mosebetsing a re bona ke lo ya ba se ke gona go le nna ke le nna ke compromise matsatsi a le nna ke lo fa ke re o hae ke a lo fa le nna ke a kula le nna ga wa ke a kula
ke kopa o botsa Flori o Selina ke kopa o botsa Flori ne ke utlwa a re wa lofa ne nako e o reng wa lofa because molekane wa hao o ntlo le lo etsa tshebeletso ya Modavaso le dedicate a letsatsi leo for Modavaso
bona the whole day fela modimo ha ke tao tropa ngwana ke tao tropa because bana ba kena different schools ha ke tao tropa fela mola sentse bene a tsena kona le tla le KFC nyana modimo sentse ke tlhapile lo tlhapa bona the whole day yeno sentse le dikobong go tla alarm ya gore re tsogela te bana
the Selina ke mang Flori akunje how old are you
nna ke 27 and I would do sick ideas.
No,
so,
guys, what's all Mariki tuta imo? I want to be very honest, man. Ki tuta something. But how long at about the partner se ba sa di rate? Once you don't love a partner, you become so much irritated that le jane.
November
Nale, my husband, we never date. Kopane August 27, 31 December ke hanyal.
Yo. Ba kopane August ka December ka ntate wa monyana.
Kala ho.
Ba le babedi ba ne ba qala ho jola.
Ba 2 months fela ke hanyal.
Bommelo bo Osmark sinige. Most ya batho ba ka ra relationship ka ba ka ra manyalo ba phela le batho ba sa ba rateng, and that is why Mudavazo will always a problem when emong a sa rate emong a mo tolerate le fela se fapa, because there is no way batho bana ka dilemo tsena bana le dilemo tse kana ba nyalane sele ntho Flori lona le na le dilemo tse ka lenyalane.
No, even like your boyfriend and girlfriend since 2021.
$5 years.
5 years.
Well, together.
What it's a boyfriend and girlfriend, but you ask yourself for
why omong a khona go lofa a ba re ke tla bua le Shannon sebetsing ke re wa kula kapa e ka kula ke tla ya doctor a ba etsa gore a spend nako together
now.
It helps a lot. Little vacation, retla timbona. Retla isa bana di school holiday. Rabuka from Thursday. I call Friday. Leave your retla show from Thursday. Retla retla Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. We check out. Really away from people. Abatla nna fela tibe nna fela no friends. Re no ikela kwa bo sekgwengkwana. Mo lo re ke di phofolo fela ha ona batho ba ntse ba kokota ba re sedisa re kwalletse fela go le monate, spending time together. Re nwelle re tse whatever re batla go etsa together fela.
hey kwa
No guys, I know
Astanovi.
Muratua.
Wa tseba ko bolelle keng? Ha o ka wa qala wa lokisa kelello ya hao. A ke re ntho la o sa e batle. Ha o ka wa qala wa e rata. Wa sheba ka mahlo a mang o developa lerato. And how kata o kopa modimo, ntate modimo, I don't have other options. But ntho yenana ke kopa hore ke rate and tshele lerato. So ba nna ba bona ne re ba rata 1 November. But re la ga kopa modimo a re thusa. Na monna ka ke la bona fela hey ntate ona o mo mara isa ke mshaba ka bona ka re ka mo bisa ka vesa ya nene ya ntate modimo hana ya ha Jesse a ke go la re ke fumanetse mohlanka ka rona wa Jesse are a man after his own heart ba mo bitsa jalo. This is a man after my own heart. Ke hloka ho mo rata. Ene ka ba sentse ke mo bitsa die bana ba rona ba hlaya ba re bitsana die aba fita sekolong ona kala sekolong or mama memo mpotsitse o mang le bitso la ke re o die a la papa ke mang ka re ke die o file le ngolo le o itse le tlatse ke re no nna ke mang papa ke mang a re ba mo se le bitsana bo die
oh hle
be re mo hlalosetsa no mara re na re ba bitso
yo
ntate November ha o ka re batla o tshwanetse go batle ka bodie ba re bitsa bodie le mosebetsing wa e batla mo etsa go die ona phone le a ba re tsebe re bo ba re tseba tse ka mabitso di sa ratibsala mara ba re tsebe re bitsana bodie
Selina ore o kopane le yena
ha ke mo bona fela one e batla o kena masimong hle ke mo bona fela kopanya mahlo a hae wa tseba
no
a
Selina
tseba yo ke re dia o sa mphanyana tempo ke kopetse fela mo go mo fela
wa tsane nketile ke ma a reng la ba khathetse koloi e robala ka garage ko re le ka o kampa wa ikinya fela la le sa itsile
Fela ka so fela.
ntate November ke sheba kwana o sheba ka ona wa nkharaba ke phamisa hanyane koloi kena ka garage nga go bala a se go ka re papa mamola ka bo 4 you breakfast in bed au suka sa bedale
Time is so swap.
Just so say.
ene re tseba bona ko yo mo 2 November ya 4 yo ka se re tetse ai kala isinya e vibrate ke tseba ke 4
le yone se tsiba
sending monate ho feta tsa bosiu.
Yo Thamiso monate tleng. That's why ke ka mosebetsing ke sa ithola. Le tsole iwane be le tshwara le tsoele le ntate November.
re kwalang show
No, but Malika. But there's something e ke thutileng yona. But Selina we qetile ha are. Le yena na kopana le monna hae o na feel otherwise. Ebile ona bona ka re o mobe. But she prayed for about that. She prayed about that.
Yes.
Now, I think ke go ba fela re jwetso Selina pele e fihla staging seo. O no fila jwang ka yena pele o fihla staging sena so leng ho sona ona jwale. Pele no fila jwang a le tshwantse di davazane.
Ntate November ke kopa o jetsane ke ne ke ile somewhere mo mene ke ile teng ona go ngodisa di contact tsa rona ne so aba ke ne ke lo bona ngwana malome ka a tshwerwe so be ke ngodisa di contact tsa ka mo aba thola ga batho ba ngata ba nfere aba nka contact tsa ka a mfounela be re arrange ka phone aba re no ke batla o fihle Saturday ke sa tsebe le gore ke a homa batla ke fitla bana ke bat man a se monna ke mo kopileng onana mara he a kere a o fihlile bosiu kala ho ya ha ona option ha ona koloi be ke tlameha hore ke go ba le yena o senyitsa ke tsoa pelo ka ke a doubt aba ya mosebetsing a gutla mosebetsing aba gonna wa tseba ke a ke sa batla o jola le wena a ke batla o jola le wena be ke ga ka pelo nya ke itse okay a re ke batla ho nyala.
Then why etsala eng because motho ona se be motho o mo ratang hantle why etsala eng?
Hey, ntate November pele ka ntsere hai man skolota se bole man mosadi a se mo qete a ke re ba re se ja monna ke ga se ja mosadi a se mo qete but this is not the man mara itsa ke fitla hae ka ga ke se ka ba kutlwa a buta buang ka lenyalo at my age ana sentate November motho mo le mona le partner ya hae ai nahanang ka hlong ya hae hore ke batla monna a so ka be ke ipolella ka ntate modimo ke kopa o mphe bohlale maybe this is the first and the last opportunity and ke kopa we grab ke kopa hore kelello ya ka ha e bona butona e bone monna wa bokamoso ba ka ke tongo morata and an ratang ntate November a ke khutlela kgatola bobedi ke khutlelitse ha ke kena ka tlung itse re halo ka halo my dear ya ba ntate November pelo ka Bibele re ntate modimo hlonolofatsa qeto ene e re o hlonolofatsa polelo e nngwe le nngwe e tswa molomong wa ngwana hae ka utlwa pelo ya ka e re you are in the right place at the right time a itsa ke khutla heso ka khutla ke na le bopaki
If unontsosa if
November you won't believe it. Now I'm a pastor for 20 years now. Ke pastor, I have my own ministry. Ke pastor. Ke bolela bana ba ka ntho e one fela hore rapela bolela modimo hore o batla eng be sure and modimo ha etse phoso hle.
ke batla utlwa if you did not pray or uqateletse moraga
ratile lo mo amohele
o nana no tlo mo fa treatment e fe tabeng ya Mdavazo
ntate November I don't think hore ne ke tla be ke le stage se ke leng o sone ga ke mo sheba fela ke utlwe ke mo lakatsa
yeah perfect
have some mistake have some
pele re kwala wa tseba nna hona jwala ke re kitse a ke hlole ke sebetsa so ha e ka re ke utlwa a ke go tseba batho ba se bana le connection ha e ka re ke utlwa hona le ntwe di stepang ke utlwa gore molekano wa ka maybe go na le nthonyana e ka reng ya ntshwenyanyana ka ena ke nka mosamo wa hae go beya difubeng tsa ka ke dule ka marao bethe ke rapella mosamo ke rapela mosamo e kere ke rapela le ena ke mo tshwere tjena
Motshedisi.
ke rapele ke bolelle modimo
Guys.
ditsietsi tsa lefatshe ha o ka ba le ntho e ke tsebang
Nna
hore
November.
ya ntshwenya that is why ke reng I've never seen myself ke kena nyeweng ho thwe re tlo solve x ha ke solve x ke nka mosamo mofufutso wa hae o beya pela ka tjhe ke be ke dula ke rapela ke bua le modimo bongweng ba ka ke re modimo o mphile yena molekane wena ke wena o tla nka nqeto o itse nna le yena re tla arohanya ke litse ha eng kapa eng e kena pakeng tsa rona e tla ebe wena o solve take control take over modimo I'm letting it go mo wena nna a ke sana matla a yona gona le nako tse leng hore ha mathata a fitla le wena o fila hore mara ha ke na energy ya this ena yona e hloka modimo ka sebele and at some point o fitlhele le hore ha yo hona no ma wa feel man there's something that is not going right ke nka ona mosamo o be fela tshi ke rapele ha di keledi di tshollele hona mosamong ke rapele ke bolelle modimo ke bue le modimo go modimo o molekano mphileng yena until death do us apart ke le file bomme
Ntate November. Wa ka die ke my one and only ke monna wa ka bebele e re hlompha molekano wa botjhaba hao e re ntate modimo ke pakeng tsa banyalani ha ke hlatswa diphahlo tsa hae ntate November dikgapa tsa ka di theoha a se gore ke tears ya bohloko ke re ntate ke kopa monenana o mo etsetse tsohle ke re o entse di-vowel tsa lenyalo kaofela a etsa ka ho fetisisa le tse bang di ne di le siko ka hare ho lenyalo a ke re ba re o tlo nhlokomela ke re o entse ka ho fetisisa le hore mosebetsing wa hae ke na le additional card ya hae ya kgolang ka yona ya mosebetsi and ha ke aena diphahlo tsa hae ke re ntate modimo o itse o Isaiah 54:17 there is no weapon formed against my husband shall ever prosper. O itse ho Psalms 23 you anoint his head with oil, her cup overflow, mohope wa hae wa kgapatseha. Be ke re bo re surely goodness and mercy shall follow this man all the days ya bophelo ba hae kaofela. Ntate November ebile ke na le bana ba hlaileng ka letsatsi la hae lana a bebeya ka lona be la ga re conceivile ga rapela ba hlaya ka date of birth ebile la se bona o so hlaile ka 6 months a hlaya re la ga bolela modimo ga re ntate ona o tlo hlaya ka di 27 tsa June doctor ya ka ya re it won't happen ka re it will happen with God. A hlaya ntate November without a pain ke ngwana bebele ntate November batho ha ba tsebe ne ke bolella ngwana ka lenyalong ke re wa kerekeng ke re o ka se bitse monna ha o satane ha le lwana ha le thabile bo batla o thola baby ka re ho yena ke re ntho mo bitsang yona ha le lwana ke ntho o tlo e thola la so thabile a ke re o sanetse ha mo bitsa my love le ha o lwana le yena or my love mamela. But how lwana le yena o mo bitsa satane bebele modimo hlonolofatsa qeto le ha so thabile ha o tlo thola love ka hare ho molekano ha o tlo thola ntho mo bitsang ka yona ha o kwatile. Make no mistake bebele re bana ba modimo ba bui anyhow nna monna ka gidie wa ebile ha re ntate November 34 years in marriage, we never have a fight le monnak. Ha ka ra fapana ka mantswe, ha e le re ke a bona hore maikutlo a phahame ke a theoa. O sane ke be ke mmolela ke re die wa tseba ke monnak. Ne ke sa batle re etse argument ka pela bana ba rona. You were wrong, but it's okay. Ha ke tselerata. So hona jwale ntate November ha mosadi a o lelwana he satane e mang ha thabile a ba batla o bitsa ha monate ha e tlo thola modimo hlonolofaditse yane a e buileng tsatsi lane le ne le lwana. Nna ke dula ke mo hlomphile. It's my dear le bana ba le ditlolo tsa ka di tla o jwetsa tla Koko, where is dear today? That dear is not coming back. Na ke Koko ntate mo la bona ke die.
For the first time ke felletse ke qetile. Flori ke ma Flori. Mo di mo gotsa le.
Ke ntate November ke kopa o kena molomo. Wa tseba batho ba sa following ba feta di services tsa mo re ranteng. O rera nnete ntate November do ka le batla o bona o le no viewer thuso le di lipstick but le ntse le tsong wena le na le matla
yo
o ga le ntse le phelang ke le ko mametse o re motho la fihla a o khoka re dintho tse ke eng e la re mohlango emisitseng koloi tja sa khole ke a hao gore I was touched by this ka ba ka eng ka message wa hao ka o save gore modimo na le matla wa tshepahala ke a follow haholo ntate November
jo
ene ke o mamela
yo kubai Flori le Oselina ka manta o mo ka 7 o'clock ke le kopa tloho every Monday 7 o'clock ke le kopa ka 7 o'clock ka manta ke le kopa hle kubai sing
bye bye good night
ntate November re kopa tsa matla sa good night se ka batla o teka tafole jwale
o lo teka tafole and go and prepare
Samaya nhleng Samaya Hai Samaya bye hai Samaya nhleng ke shapu ke lona ke shapu
there is something we believe ne I wanted to contest it ha ore batho ba ntse ba sukudisa di partner ka modavazo le ba etsa hore di environment mo ba dulang teng di ske da ba monate it's because ha ba rate di partner tsa bona ne ke batla hore ke hanane le yona
ke hane kutla
ne now bomme ha ke mametse ba nhlotha matla a ho ihana because dilemong tse ba phetseng le di partner tsa bona ka tsona ene santse be ke batho ba e leng hore ba re ha re sana interest ya anything because this thing we are used to it but the love yone ya hana because lerato le na le tsela ya ho manifest ne le ha ka ba batla le ha o le di colleague o bo rata o itse lerato le na le tsela ya ho manifesta lone la ikentsha now monana ntho e etsahalang ya bomme ba keneng it's purely love, it's genuine love
hape ntho e basadi e ba shapang ka yona Snake ne ke jotsa partner ka ke ro yana share di where you meditate ka partner le ka mdavazo wa lona everything is all about meditating guys example
what you are saying is
meditation
and you know what we meditate about problem not partner
you don't meditate ka problem you don't meditate ka mdavazo wa lona hai ba mametse basadi bana the reason why ba founela banna ba bona banna ba theohetse as much as cleaner ntlo a le busy but haradi ntho tsohle tso a di etsang she will always meditate ka mdavazo wa monna wa hae le ka monna wa hae. It's all about meditation. Seleke, you can have a namageza mkhotsi waka. Man, guess this though.
DJ.
So it's all about meditation. Can I give you some more? Seleke, do you know that why but baba mbasukula in your toilet? Hossein, kina lutswa ke sa batlwe ke sa nahana toilet. And if I don't think about going to
the bathroom.
I
Yeah.
Now, ke forced to reetsagale ka meditate. Ke nahana re kana ke batla toilet. Ke meditate ke be ke tlo ya toilet because I believe before ke hlapa ke toilet.
Okay.
So the time mo ke rena ke tswa be kutla there is nothing. I can't only something you can go to the toilet, but sometimes I be thing everything yeah toilet. But na I listen to it and I number 2, when you otorike muruto, kapa otorike number 2 otorike toilet, obum shift kelelo ya hao ke tabenya muruto wa tla muruto a u feel. So it's all about
meditate. Oh yeah. Because you are pressed.
Yes.
But the moment you are pressed, some of the things we keep busy kaiti walibala. After hours mohlang etlang hape kelelong hore e kana.
Okay. So when you don't meditate about your husband, and if you don't meditate about your, because runa banna, we always meditate. Banna, we always, that is why sex drive runa banna iludim. We always meditate. Number 2, we always meditate. Leka haru kopana le basadi strato ba kgona rena hane sex because basadi ba tlabe ba tsotse ba peri dikete tsego. They give that, they bring that thing meditation. Umushebe o le ka rakoloi afita you meditate ka yona. So that is why runa banna we don't try again kataba ya mdavozo because we always meditate
about it.
About that. Now tshapa basadi le ba ratang banna ba bona mar ba sa enjoy mudavazo wa banna ba bona. One of the things ba sapang they don't meditate ka banna ba bona ka paka mudavazo wa bona.
Okay.
You
can even stand in the theater for hours without going to the toilet. Yes.
Well, because you don't
meditate about it, or you are concentrating on what you are doing.
So it's 2 things that Alanga said basadi baske baba sexual active jole ka basadi bana ba tota bua. Ya pele baba e kana ba rati ba di partner tsa bona. Babang e kana ba rata di partner tsa bona, but they don't consider the partner tsa bona. They don't meditate ka ba ka di partner tsa bona. Guys, there is no way. My first ex-wife, in terms of the my first ex-wife Mary Santori, baby, Rehatet Marquiki, they can't refer. Grachi. Yes. And that thing can original 22 years. As much in a physical fight.
But it was not easy to go.
It was not easy because we were so much attached to that.
Does mudavazo bring attachment?
Blind. That is all when
they are so attached.
They are so attached to their partners, and there is a lot of fun and happiness because mudavazo is the happiness.
Okay.
That is why but something but try ka ditsela tsohle ho minimize the problem le ho minimize the responsibility. Le bontate ba thuse
the responsibility tsa bomang di tsa bomme mesebetsi ya bomme. My friends were telling me I'm not normal for wanting it every day.
Sa Flora, ke kopa re mokinye. Ke mang ke Flora? Machiavelli lona re kwala le kona le batla go kena rona re batla go tsamaya. A Machiavelli mare wena mo phuthe wa ka ke borata.
Doctor, how are you?
Wena Machiavelli ha re re kwala kwana o kena.
Ke rentse ke mametse bomme jwale le ke re ke le nna ke feta jwale ka monna poso.
Feta he.
No, nna ne ke re bomme nna ke a ba leboa. I have idea ya hore na batho ba bomme ba batla eng. Ntse ke sena that idea.
Wow, okay.
So from tonight ke na le idea ya hore batho ba bomme ba batla go tshwarwa hantle. Ha o ka ba mamela kaofela. Bontate ba ba tshwere hantle. That is why holy easy hore ho ntshwe ditshebeletso.
Mosadi wa Mosotho.
Thank you Machiavelli.
Thank you,
Machiavelli.
Nna ne ke leboa bomme ke re bomme no ke utlwile ke tshwere nna.
Ha re bue le ka gore ke matsatsing.
Thank you Machiavelli. Thank you. Ke batla tla honto are we think jo nna le ha aka kwata ke a batla ke mang? Ke mosadi wa Mosotho. Ke kopa Flori ke kopa botsa ke wrong or ke right? I think taba ya meditator to me to think about your husband, to think ka taba ya mdava zwa lona tsa gore o tlo o enjoy every day.
Yena e jwalo ka nnete e jwalo gobane la hanga kwata jwang ka nako ke tla rwetse ke today next mara bona ha ka fela ka voice nyane ele fela ya baby kopa one nyana ka bo mo fela gore ke ke tsa ka nne ke kwatile mara fela ka fela ai kopa go go ba special go mene wa kopa a inkele fela re baby ke kopa one nyana a bona ibero mo tso yone ne go go botse go 2 days ne go kwatetse yona o ne go go potse go tsala fatshe go tsala ka re yo modimo ke first day bile go kopana tshwanetse ga diang kopanya le wena ha o normally ntho e etsang why every day after dilemo tsaka ke re nna ke tsebe why hle ka gola maybe ke because of age gap ya rona mara nna ke batla go tsamaya ka hle yo ha ke tswa hae ke re ke tswa qwaqwa ke ya Pretoria yo ke tlatla ka bona fela ke fihlile tsatsi leo
Selina
Pastor Novi basadi bana ba go bala ka diwantsi banana ba no utlwa monato wa lenyalo nna ke se ka kutlwa bibele mene re ntate modimo na entse Adama a ya pereng le Eva a ya pereng a ba tlhobole Pastor November ba tlo utlwa monato wa lenyalo
ke kopa botsa ntho wang lona o thuswa ke ngore o tlo ntse mo hopola every day because nna ke tata gore o so lovely o tsileke ke re but I think one of the thing is gore basadi bana lona libe so ke taba gore le a meditate le nahane ka monna wa hao o be le picture eo kapa ke wrong
ya ke jwa tate November wa tseba ha o ka meditate ka yona e tla ka la o thena o re bo so ka ro ya mo bona ke mane bo so nka kholore hey ska titoho to metsi a kene ka tlu o meditator ka ntho santse o meditate o ka se rate ntate November santse e dule ka kelellong ya ka monana
thank you so much Mr.
Good night
meditator ka yena le ha o asile fela ntho ya hae fela monana ha o e tshwara o re le masatha la boko tate o sontso mo tshwara ka call ha o le matsatsi bona madi a ke madi a ka mos wa mofa re sa Pastor November bone ko ngoletse ka re o nna monna ka o yetsa kere a kere le gore ke diphirote ke a ema kere papa re ke le gore papanyana ga msa ja ka e khutsetsa me tswa ska stress madi a ke ja sebete mo madi a konyana no mo madi a konyana
I will sukuba him o tla smart ke nnete
yo
bye. Hi guys, Kubai. Bye. Bye. Bye.
Ke shapa go le shunda tla.
Bye. Bye Seleke Khubane. Guys, bye bye. Tla bona na hos nini.
Re tla bona.
Arabeke.
A Dr. Ali Free fela le tla bona ka hore a be live.
Le tla mpona fela le tla nsala morao. Bye. Ai Khubane. Ai.